You better watch out. You better not cry.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen of Tradecaster.com, baby? We're still getting the Christmas vibes going. Still getting the Christmas vibes flowing, ladies and gentlemen. So, pick up that hot cocoa. Pick up that coffee. It's Friday, baby. Get a little energy in you. Get a little hype on your belt, guys. Make sure to really go shovel the snow if you're in that, really cold areas. But, guys, we're running it up today. Today's going to be a great one. We got a dual stream with Caesar. It's going to be a really action-packed day. Let's go over it, baby. Woo! All right, guys. All right. So, just to start the day off. I'll start off by saying this. Give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. Sorry, I had to take the Invisalign out. Okay, I'll say this. Turn the music down. Turn it down. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, guys. We are starting off with multiple things, but bam, baby. I know, you guys are like, YB, what's that? This is a paper trading account on Webull. Now, this is the only one I could get hooked up fast enough, but we are going to be doing paper trading options today, man. So if I go here, I'm going to go, S&P obviously right here. I can just look up, ticker sign Tesla, I'm sure would come up. Yeah. Let me just control Z. See how this is there? So anyways, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm still kind of going through the motions a little bit, trying to get everything down pat. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that, ladies and gentlemen. Also, quick review of the S&P, guys. You remember how I had this zone here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, guys. Well, it looks that it came up right to our 440 resistance, which was my max resistance. After 440, guys, this thing's going, right? Hallelujah to you. See you, stock, bro. I'll see you all the way up to 445, 446, man. Came up, touched it. I don't know what it's going to try and do here. That's a nut. Look at all these lower shadows, guys. Guys, underneath the price of 444, there's a lot of lower shadows, guys. Here, I'm going to do this right here. Think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, it's like, okay, what's gonna happen, ladies and gentlemen? It's like, guys, okay, what's gonna happen, guys? So, I mean, that's my main thing coming out, ladies and gentlemen. We're waiting and watching. I got RTY, NQ, NES all loaded up here. They've been on a tear, though, to the top side. I mean, since what, 6 a.m. today? Yeah, right around 6, 7 a.m. They've been on a tear to the top side. Had a little bit of a double bottom. Now spiking up. This is going to be my zone. This is going to be my zone. And I'm going to wait and watch, guys. If we break through it, we start to make some clear direction. We have a nice, clear, even path. I might take it. I'll be looking a little bit more bullish towards it. I'm not going to be super hesitant on, just punching in a bunch of random trades, guys. Today's Friday. I want you guys also, it's Friday. Guys, Friday, what does that mean? Well, there's going to be morning momentum, but then after that, light size, guys. I mean, I trade with light size usually no matter what. I'm talking I don't go more than 20. And I think that I found that to be the best way possible for me. you know, I'm looking for the longer moves. I don't go more than 20 contracts, guys, at a time. You know what I mean? More than 20 micro contracts, not minis, micros. Less, you know, any more than that, I'm not really that interested. So yeah, guys, I mean, we're gonna see what happens with it. But guys, we are doing a dual stream today with Caesar himself, baby. You guys already know. So he's gonna have his own inputs and everything. But yes, as he's also talking, I will be getting this set up for all of you options traders. I do really want to trade options with you guys. I do really want to trade options with you guys. So we have everything set up here. So here it is, guys. And if anything, no, excuse me. Save as paper layout. Add widget. Can I add like a how do I add like a hold on, guys. I don't know how to add it. We're gonna get Caesar on here, and I'm gonna figure that out. I'm gonna figure all this out, guys. Cause yeah, right here I have to look up the actual contract value. It seems to be, which is not really gonna work out. Cause if I go here and I just look up Tesla exploration. It's not Tesla. Oh, Tesla Inc. right there. There we go. Okay, I figured it out. Bada bing, bada boom, done. Good to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, what a day, guys. So, we're gonna get Caesar up in here. Looking to get him up in here right about now, guys. What a day, guys. So, we got a freaking action-packed day ahead of us. Oh my goodness, that's so loud. I wonder if they changed the Halloween music yet. So my girlfriend never answers my calls, Caesar. It's okay. I have to grab something over here. Keep it together, YB. Keep it together, YB. Oh. I dropped something, guys. Hey, Charlie Queen, what's up, yo? Oh, yeah, by the way, all of you YouTube guys, all of you guys over on YouTube.com, hopefully you guys are having an awesome day, man. Hopefully you guys are killing today. Oh, you guys on Tradecaster.com, I know you're killing it today, so, yeah, there's the difference. What is up, Charlie Queen? All right, guys, so if you're wondering, I will bring this up anytime I'm thinking about making a options trade. I will bring this up for you. So I'm just going to look up Tesla. I'll look up NVDA. Scroll, it seems to be like NVIDIA Corporation right there. So I can look up each one of the tickers, guys. So I will place a couple zones here on the option side. So, okay, here's going to be my zones for the S&P. Let me not get ahead of myself. Let's start with this, guys. Above 436, I still stand with that. Above 436, I still stand as yes. So I'm going to actually adjust this a little bit down. I thought I hit it. Right down to 436. Above 436, we are right back in this range, ladies and gentlemen. Above that, guys, it's right where we were yesterday, man. I mean, excuse me, like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, man. If we break this little, we're still in this little channel. I don't care, man. We had that. And by the way, guys, I wasn't here for it. But what a sell-off, bro, in 2 minutes. What a freaking sell-off, dude. Wow, I was not here for it, guys. That happened at 1 o'clock. I wasn't here for it, but what a sell-off, dude. Like, I hope some of you guys caught that, man. Yeah, I did see about that. Okay, so this wick's probably not real, up to 437. Unless there was some earnings that came out. But you guys see my zones? Below 434 and above 436, guys. Above 436, as you see, chop. A little bit of chop coming into it. Below 434, chop, chop. Just not really clean price action. All right, so that's gonna be my point on a lot of this. So now we're gonna bring over some options for you option traders, okay? Now remember, we're just gonna. Okay. Hey, what's up, champion trader? Hopefully you're printing today if you've been trading, buddy. If not, it's still early. You're okay. Alright, I kind of just want to see we're gonna see something like that on Tesla. Something like that on Tesla I got. Let's take a look at. I don't really like trading Microsoft too much, as it's not really the best mover always, or ever really. So we're really gonna see here. Give me 1 second, guys. Meta, I don't mind as much. Meta, I don't mind as much. I can't really be biased either towards one direction. You know what I mean? Especially in a market like this. So I got NQ overall, which is all these tickers combined. I also do wish to see what we got here. So nothing crazy. I'm not looking for like flat tops and bottoms like Kush does. That's not what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking for just clean setups, right? Because flat tops and bottoms are printers. Don't get me wrong, they're printers. But the thing is, they happen like that. They happen like that. Like, you got to be on that crap. And if I'm trading, NQ or ES or something, bro, and here comes one of those flat tops and bottoms, bink. And I'm like, oh, I miss it. Well, there's no getting in after that. Like, that's it, man. Like, so it's like, you know, if it happens, it happens. If you miss it, bro. So, like, yeah. And most of these plays actually don't even have them. The more that I look at them, these are not flat tops and bottoms on the 4 hour. Yeah, like, I mean, you can't. I don't even consider Nvidia one, bro. Like, that's not even that clean. I don't know. I also don't trade like that, so maybe it is. I don't know. Okay, the fact that Nvidia's up to 480 is crazy, bro. Is insane, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that one flat on the 4 hour. Let's go Microsoft 4 hour. We'll still check it out. Oh, they switched it back to normal.
For the next 2 years.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Yo.
Howdy ho, man. How you doing?
What's up?
Doing good?
I'm good. Yourself?
Pretty good, man. I got a paper trading account with Webull for options. So we're gonna be diving. What is it? I'm still obviously futures trading, but just for the options traders out there. Yeah, buddy.
You doing what with options?
I said I grabbed a futures trading. An options trading account with Webull. And we're gonna see how it works out. It doesn't look too terrible. It looks it's a paper trading account. So I'm gonna today and tomorrow. Well, no. Today and Monday I'm gonna be doing paper, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or whatever, I might switch over to real, and then just do like small position size or whatnot, everything like that. But yeah, more or less, chilling out. I had my points placed out on S&P, but so how you doing, man? What are your what's your thoughts on the market today, man?
Short. I've been short biased all week long. Every time it pops, I've been able to average out about like 10, 12 points on ES shorts all week long. Yesterday finally got a breakdown that I was looking for. We took out Wednesday's low, which was beautiful. I actually caught some of it, like I had an average of like 44.02, and today we got the retracement that I was looking for, which was up to 43.82. I'm currently in short 2 ES contract shorts at 43.82. I'm looking to add. I want to see the breakdown and a candle close below 43.64. We get a candle close below 43.64. I'm just going to be adding to my position. And overall target for today on ES is going to be 43.42 area.
Oh, there we go.
So from right here, yeah, we're looking at about a 40-point drop. So let's get it.
Yeah, buddy, there we go. Okay. And dude, I'm kind of, at this rate, we hit the 44. What is it? 440 on S&P right up to it. And at this rate, that was my max. And now I'm like, okay, buddy, all right, it's wraps. We're going downhill. So yeah, that's kind of my game plan. As well. I don't want to be short biased or long biased, but if I had to say I'm one or the other, I do think this market's gonna sell off. And especially if we break some of these old support, man, it's down city, baby. But that's what's up. So you've been riding that out all week, or like how's your week been?
Pretty good. Week is pretty good. I'm in some pretty decent profits. I just been watching like and waiting for when I see the top out. So a couple of times, I want to say maybe it was like Tuesday or Wednesday, kind of got like held hostage a little bit to like late in the afternoon.
Right.
And then the market finally, gave a drop towards the end of the day. So I've been catching those. But we've had a couple of times this week where, within the first 30 minutes, half hour, we catch a nice quick scalp. And then the market just kept on raging up. So at the very least, like whether it be, within the first 30 minutes of the opening or whether it be, mid-afternoon or just before the market closes, I've been able to scalp 15, 20 points on ES.
Right. There we go. Okay.
Hmm.
Hell yeah, man. Well, there we are. So, I mean, yeah, and I mean, that's good. That's good. So, good week overall, you'd say?
Yeah, yeah, pretty good week overall. I mean, definitely could have been a lot better, but overall, I mean, I'm not upset about, what I'm saying, having a profitable week. So
Right, right. And it can't be, hey, it's enough to pay the Chipotle, the Tesla,
hey,
charging funds, or
hey,
whatever it may be. You're good to go, baby. So,
yes, sir.
so yeah, dude. And
But
I
how about
actually,
yourself? How's your week?
it's been pretty good. What is it? I got the 50K passitoed, and now I'm working on I'm like 14 hundo away from the 150K passito. And then and then loaded up the options, that options, and I'm gonna start doing that next week. But yeah, overall, it's Monday, Tuesday, and this is what it's always been. I've been saying this for the longest time. Monday, Tuesday, slow week. Monday, Tuesday are slower days, and then Wednesday comes along. And actually, this Wednesday was not the fastest moving day, I'll say. But then Thursday, Friday come, and then we get that direction. Like yesterday, man, there's no way you can look back to yesterday and be like, all right, you could say areas of consolidation, but like it wasn't. Look at that drop at like 1 o'clock. Like that is like, oh man, dude. So it wasn't like terrible. Like it wasn't like super clean, but it wasn't the worst, right? So
Hmm.
So I think I've been green every day except for one this week or something like that. Or yeah, I've been green at least on these accounts every day except for one. But yeah, no, we're printing, good to go, baby. But yeah, dude, no, yeah, more or less, I've just been waiting, bro. So like all week, so Monday, Tuesday, I was waiting for Wednesday to see what was gonna happen with JP at 9:15, right, when he gave his opening remarks, and then nothing happened with his opening remarks, and then he came out at 2 o'clock, and it doesn't look like much happened at 2 o'clock. So I was just like, I wasn't there at 2 o'clock for it. I was going to wrestling and stuff. I was getting ready, but yeah, I was more or less just like, I was just shocked. I was just like, I would expect when JP speaks, the market to still like, you know what I mean, just go be flattered by him. But apparently, it's only when it's about interest rate hikes. It seems to be.
Hmm.
So yeah, I could say yeah. But yeah, no, great week overall. Can't complain. And then oh yeah,
Awesome.
I also took a trade on RTY. Shout out to Grambo. Shout out to Grambo for that. RTY, I never knew, like, there's so many other tickers, man, that like move so quick and like so clean sometimes when the overall market isn't. You know what I mean?
Oh, the Russell 2000.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
dude. Like,
that's the mid cap. That's the mid cap index.
okay. So this is gonna be like your what mid cap? What's a mid cap I can think of right this second?
Uh, yeah, there's quite a bit. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of mid caps. You don't have many. You don't like
Think about like
you don't have many. Uh, yeah, there's not many like big cap stocks. So
right. Okay,
like the
so it would
blue
be
chip, majority of blue chips are considered, what I'm saying, a big cap, right? Based off of their shares, based off of their market cap, and so forth. But you have a lot more. Obviously, I mean, it says it in the naming, the Russell 2000. You have 2000 mid caps.
okay.
Like the Nasdaq is comprised of 100 tech companies. The Dow Jones Industrial is comprised of 30 companies, and then the S&P 500 is comprised of 500 companies. You know what I mean?
Okay. So that makes more sense. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So the
So the
500,
Russell has more. Yeah, the Russell has more companies in it.
right? So 2,000 companies will probably move it a little bit. You know, I actually don't know if they're
Yeah,
going
it
against each
doesn't
other.
move as much.
Right.
It doesn't move as much, like it doesn't move as much of a range like ES or Dow. Like Dow Jones will move, 800, 1,500 points.
Right.
Whereas the Russell might only maybe move 200 points.
Hmm. And then point thing I did like though is point $10 for every tick, I guess it would be. So for every tick, so for every 0.1 tick, I did like that it was $10. Per they don't have micros on it, I'm pretty sure, but per mini contract on it, which was I found that to be better than, because it's not like NQ, which moves like, you get it on a mini, man, and you're up or down like $100 off the rip. You know what I mean? It's like, it depends if it's a movie or not. But it's like with that, it was a nice, and yesterday was a clean chart. I don't know, man. It was sauce. It was sauce. It was great sauce. Happy sauce.
I mean, you're expanding to other areas and stuff like that. That's good.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, next thing you know, I'll be like, yo, Caesar, yo, I just made $1,000 on gold. You'll be like, when'd you start trading gold? I'll be like, I don't even know. I'll be like,
We'll take it, man. We'll take it.
Yeah, right, dude. So chilling out there. Yeah, dude. So yep. So that's the first time expanded. Yeah, we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to expand a little bit more. Honestly, I know I have 3 monitors. I think I need 2 more, guys. I think I need 2 more. I need one on my left above here, and I need one on my right above here, and then maybe I'll stick like a big flat screen TV above this one, and I'll just stick charts all on it. I think it's a great idea. Might overcomplicate things, but I think that's a great idea, guys. I don't know, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts, Caesar?
Just adjusting my stuff.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, yeah, buddy. All right. Apparently, you did not like that idea.
I got this. Yeah. But yeah, no, that's good. Gold is a good mover too.
Is it a quick
You got
mover?
gold.
What's
Yeah, it actually does. I mean, it moves pretty well, man.
Yeah.
Gold moves pretty well.
CG,
Yeah.
right? Backslash CG.
Yeah. GC forward slash
okay.
GC, or just straight out GC if you're looking it up on Tradeovate.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yep, because I forgot Trader. Okay, so that'd be backslash. Right there it is.
Yeah, Tradeovate and TD. TD, you have to put a
I'm
slash
actually
before
looking. I'm looking and getting. Actually, what? So what are your thoughts about, instead of getting like what about getting jewelry with gold in it? Is that a terrible idea because they're overcharging for the gold at the end? Okay.
You're better off just getting straight up gold jewelry, like the Cuban links.
Right.
You don't want nothing added to it. But yeah, if you get like a straight up gold chain or like a Cuban link, those it's gold, so it's going to increase in value.
Right. So yeah, because I was thinking for Christmas or something, I'm gonna maybe hook my girl up with like something, but like the thing is, I'm thinking in my head too, like let's say 20 years from now, it appreciates like a crap ton of value. She might not be happy about it, but I'll be like, yo, babe. I'll be like, yo, you see that thing I got you? Yeah. You mind,
An investment, man.
Yeah, and she'll be like, so you got this just to hold on to for 20 years and then sell it? I'm like, well, if you want to be honest, I'll be like, I'm not lying. I'll be like, yo, dude, so. I was thinking about
that's thinking ahead. I mean, it's either that or gold bricks or coins. Take your pick.
Right. I'll be like, what do you want for Christmas, huh? Do you want a nice fancy like necklace or ring or something, or do you want a gold block? Huh? Pick your poison.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, you know what I mean?
I mean, you might go with the gold bar, but you just can't flaunt it around.
Yeah, right. Well, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah. Well, I would too. But for her, I'm sure if I got that for her, she'd look at me like she wants to, she's done here. Grambo saying, why be looking ahead? Yeah, you already know, baby. All right, you gotta, Caesar's been putting that in my head, bro. That good old, I need to get into the gold and platinum and silver and buying all of it up. But yeah, man, I gotta do it in fashion to make it not look like that's all I care about. You know what I mean? So it's like, maybe
What's wrong with that though? I mean, what's wrong with saying, wanting to look ahead and think ahead and prepare? You know what I mean?
Yeah, right. No, I'm playing. She probably wouldn't care if I got her like a gold brick, but like I don't know what she would really do with it. She would probably prefer like a little ring or something, something or like a necklace. But like, I'm kidding. I probably wouldn't sell it in like 30 years either, guys. So I that That'd be pretty fucked up.
You're not proposing or nothing like that, are you?
No, not yet, not
You
yet.
mentioned it rings. I'm like, oh, bruh.
right. Nah, bro, because I think no, because she said something about that too, and I'm like, because I said something about it or whatnot, like just seeing if she like likes said color or whatnot, and she was thinking, I don't know, like what her thought process went to, but then I had to quickly remind her that we are 19 years old, and that is not happening. I was like, I don't know what age like your parents or like what age your family gets married at, but mine just doesn't do that for a while, so.
Yeah.
She would love a Chanel. Oh man, Chanel. See, I don't know. Here's my thing with luxury brands, man. I got like low key. I feel like it's just so. It's the same thing as like a Michael Kors bag, but just overpriced. I feel like, you know what I mean? Like I feel like a Chanel bag is the same thing. Maybe just a bit better quality leather or something. But that $1,000 bag is realistically like $300 like made. You know what I mean? And they're just overcharging like.
To be honest, less.
Really? You think so? Like $100 you think they make, or like even less than that probably?
Yeah, because they outsource, like they're getting the materials from Africa, right? The leather they might be getting the leather from, let's say, from Morocco or something like that.
Right.
And essentially they're paying pennies on the dollar to make these items, and then they come over here. Like when you buy these, like, yes, you know what I'm saying, some brand has like really good quality, but you can go and find a no-name brand and get the same quality a fraction of the cost.
Right.
Because the thing is, like, once you build a brand up, you're no longer paying for that item. You're actually paying for the name of the brand.
Right.
Right. That's why like they're able to charge for, you know, certain amount, especially, I mean, because some brands, like, they actually make it like very exclusive, where it's like, okay, they only come out with a certain amount of pieces, and you know, and that just comes down to the whole supply and demand. If there's a high supply of these items but not enough of it, right? No, I'm sorry. If there's a high demand for them, but there's a very low supply, these things go through the roof. Like, you know, like you have Birkins.
Right.
Like, it's literally, you're paying for a leather bag, but you're paying 40, 60, 100, 200 grand for these bags. Right. And it's like, leather is leather, bro. It's like there's really no other way that you can make a leather bag, you know, that much more I don't know, expensive or whatever. It's like it comes from a freaking cow. It goes through the process or whatever, and then, okay, the creative side of things or whatever, and you know, some of these brands, they have whatever patents or whatever, but bro, it's like a leather bag is a leather bag. Like,
Yeah,
oh,
more
this
or
is a
less.
Birkin.
Right.
Like, yeah, so
And-
those Chanels and whatever.
Yeah, and no, you're completely right on that. I mean, I can definitely agree with that, and that is the thing though. And I think some people, you know that, but then other people don't, and they think they're paying for. You know, I feel like when you're paying for that, it's almost like a status symbol, right? You buy a Louis bag or you know, a Chanel bag or something, or like, you know, a nice coat or something from one of those places. I don't feel like a lot of people go there just to shop regularly. Like, oh yeah, I need to go clothing shopping. Let me go to Gucci. You know what I mean? Like, they're just like, okay, hey, I'm gonna go there, pick up a bag or two, pick up, you know, whatever it is, designer clothing, and it's like, it is like you said, the status symbol, man. It's like, dude, I'm sure I could grab, like I said, a Michael Kors bag, rip the logo off it, stuff a Gucci symbol on it, call it a one piece, paid $30,000 for it, and probably sell it to somebody for like $10K, and act like, you know what I mean? Act like it's exclusive. But also, Charting Queen, there's nothing wrong with that though. Like, it's a thing of like,
No,
right. If you got it, you know, spend it. If you know what I mean? It's like, if you wanna spend it. There's no issue with it. You know, life is, you know, money is to make life better in essentially all ways. And if you feel that it's better materialistic wise, there you go. Like, I used to, I don't know, I think I'm coming more off of the materialistic part of life. I'm starting, like, dude, when I make however much I'm making, dude, I want like a 3-car garage, maybe like one super nice car, like a nice Silverado, like brand new truck, and that's about it. Like a big house with like farmland or something. You know what I mean? When I used to own a penthouse in Miami, and I got a bunch of Rolls Royces, baby. So, you know. You know.
I mean, that's still doable, because I mean, if you buy a penthouse in Miami, like, here's the thing, like, there are certain luxury items that will increase in value over time.
Right.
And there are certain ones that they're not going to increase in value. So the thing is to find, you know, those luxury items that are going to increase in value over time, to where if at some point you want to resell it, you know what I mean, you'll make something out of it.
Right.
Um, Chanel bags, I don't really think they're gonna grow. They're gonna grow in value, after a certain amount of time. Like if
Right.
you were to go and you bought your lady a Birkin's bag, yeah. Now that is a brand that is going to increase in value, because the way that they make it so scarce, and the process to get one of those items, bro, like,
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
ridiculous,
You gotta be on
right?
the waiting
So,
list.
that's an investment. If you like jewelry, okay, you stop buying some gold chains, some silver chains and whatnot. That's an investment, even though, okay, like, you can wear it out and stuff like that. And but at the end of the day, it's like, yo, it's an investment that's going to yield returns for you in the years to come.
Right, right, and that's agree, and especially on the and that's the
Oh,
thing. I don't think a lot of people think about that. Bags, watches, sometimes even shoes. Shoes can be a good. You can't, obviously shoes are a different world though. You can't like wear and tear on those, and they wear and tear very easily
yeah.
on like a watch or a bag. But like all those things, literally anything you wear, people will pay more for later in life. Exclusive t-shirts. You get anything. There's certain clothing brands out there. Like if I grabbed a pair of like I don't know, maybe about like Loro Piana or like Ralph Lauren or anything like that. I don't know how they appreciate it. I've never looked into it. But you are right on the Birkin. I did know about that. I used to watch a guy way back when that he has like over like a $200,000 Birkin collection that he just gives to his mother. Right? And his mother just pimps it out and rocks it, dude. And it's just like, if he ever needs to sell one, his mom knows that it's fine. It is what it is, right? It's like, it's not really that big a deal. So I think that's really cool. Yeah, dude. So I'm with you. Rambo saying investing in a woman is like investing in a depreciating assets that costs it. Okay, this guy. Okay. All right. All right.
Don't let the women in your life hear that, bro.
Yeah, this guy. Yeah, it came. I'm like, yo, I didn't say it. I didn't say it. Grambo said it. All right, hold on. Yeah, dude. So there we go. Forbes saying, yeah, I'm not connected to a wire. Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, you are in Florida now. So, hey, man, we'll run it up though. We'll run it up when you whatever. What is it? I mean, today, dude. Probably. I'm down. I literally see your DMs every time when I hop off. So, but yeah, well, I'll make sure we can run it up then. What time is it? 9:28. You got 2 minutes.
You got less than 2 minutes to go.
There we go, baby.
Nice little pop. Let's see. I'm ready, man. I'm ready for this today.
Yeah, buddy. It's gonna be exciting, man. I'm hyped. Especially, dude, it's Friday. Oh, man. Okay, and oh, yeah, by the way, tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, On Demand Saturdays happening, baby. Just want to let you guys know.
What's that?
Oh, On Demand. So I'm doing this thing. It's called On Demand Saturdays, where I essentially come. I'm gonna stream it, and I'm gonna go to a random day in the market that I don't even know about, and we're gonna trade it, like a certain part of it, like an hour of it, or like. What's up?
Like back testing.
Yeah, basically, yep. And we're gonna backtest a couple strategies, maybe add some new ones in, and just get like traders that Saturday kick. You know what I mean? So that Sunday when comes around, they feel like they. Because I always used to be like that. I used to be like, man, Saturday I can still be doing something. You know what I mean? It's like, they're not supposed to work on the Sabbath, but not Saturdays. You know what I mean? I can still work on a Saturday. It's like, so it's like, yeah. So yeah, buddy, gonna be doing that. I will send a banner real quick in my Shetsky.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm about to take a short on NQ. 15, 3, 30.
Order filled.
I'm filled. Short NQ 15. Ooh, yes, baby.
Immediately.
Already up 10 points.
Oh,
Immediate.
Wow,
Gangsta.
Haha. Let's see. Okay. Wow, dude. That thing is selling off, bro.
Yep. Oh, beautiful. Filled. Thank you. I love you. That work from you, right, baby? Yes. Okay. I see you, boo.
Damn, that thing is selling off, brother. Oh my goodness, RTY with the flip, bro. RTY with the flip, dude. Wow.
Come on, baby. Okay, keep it coming.
Wow, dude.
Order filled.
Okay, locking in some profits on the NASDAQ short. Go, baby. Go.
Oh
Oh, are you? Yes, honey. Yes. Tom, talking to me. Nice. Ooh.
There it
Ooh.
goes. Wow, RTY. Wow.
Order filled.
Got on one RTY. Gonna see where this leads. Not gonna hold it too long if S&P's not gonna break. But comes to the downside, baby. I will be looking for some of them new lows coming. Wow, RTY down to 200. There it goes.
Oh,
Wow,
let's
bro.
go.
Wow.
Yes, baby.
I just don't know if it's gonna be able to. I don't know if the S&P's gonna be able to hold up here, man. It was on that uptrend since what like 6 a.m. and now starting to come right back down. Filled at the price of 9790 on RTY.
And it's being attacked. We sent a submarine.
There it goes,
here
ladies and
there.
gentlemen.
We project.
I want you guys to be able to
If there's
see
anything-
my. There we go.
Yeah, a lot of people do come back to our military as a point of pride.
There we go.
Right.
I'm
Wow.
also selling in on the micro.
Dude, Russell 2000 is dying, man. All right, let's see. S&P coming down here. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's cringe. Cody Bear saying it's cringe. Oh, buddy. Yeah, you're all right. We're all right. Talking about Perkins and stuff.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful.
That new lane.
Beautiful.
Get that new low here on RTY, baby.
Let's go. Oh, beautiful. ES. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Is that S&P? S&P pushing its view up, or is it rejecting here? My charts are a little bit slowed. I might have to restart Thinkorswim here.
And he didn't go to West Point.
I think I'm gonna do that really quick.
So well. We forget.
Let's see. Let me give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna restart this here. Gonna let RTY rock out though. RTY coming right back down. There we go, ladies and gents. Alright, I opened up the paper on the Thinkorswim just in case I was gonna trade it on that. But oh yeah, now that I got, by the way, I do have the Weeble loaded up, guys. Do have the Weeble loaded up. Just want you guys to know.
And they want to influence the Kumandang party, which is, would be.
Oh, yes. ES. Beautiful.
That is
Beautiful.
Crazy.
in opposition.
Come on. Come on.
But I do think that they're doing
Oh,
things.
that was just marvelous.
How much they go
Damn,
back
baby.
on this issue.
Yeah, this thing is just, it's dying. I'm still in this RTY trade, just one. I should have taken more, but you know, first trade of the day was being laid back, was staying cautious, you know, being a good Samaritan.
So they want
RTY nice.
the American give in, don't protect
That's
top one
the
semi.
ES.
Came down to 194.
There is hope somehow that after this meeting between Xi and Biden, that it will unlock the antitrust review of the
Wow, right underneath
VMware, which
94,
we've talked
right underneath 95.
perhaps see if
Wow.
this becomes a reality.
You want to speak about it because it's so on the firing line.
Well,
because
VMware is interesting because investors there made
Wow,
watches
94 now
sometime
pushing,
back already.
93 coming in, guys. What a beautiful play, man. What a beautiful play for all you traders out there. Wow.
All right. Anyone that is short on ES, you might want to consider moving your stop loss to break even or to slightly in profits. I'm moving my stop loss to break even, and then once we break below 43.74, I'll move my stop loss to in profits. So at least I'll walk away with something. Oh, if we can get a nice bearish engulfing candle on the 30-minute or 1 hour time frame, ooh, load.
Oh, man,
Repeat of yesterday.
Yup.
Repeat of yesterday. Oh, yes. Go, 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 go. Drop, drop, drop. Ooh,
He is saying otherwise. That is not what I am hearing.
go, baby. Go, go, go. Yes, yes.
We won't meet with people, and their
Ooh,
takeaway certainly
yes.
is that
Wow,
it's
bro.
political.
That is crazy dropping right now. That is insane. That is awesome
Yep,
to
I think
see,
I'm
man.
gonna close one week.
Yup, I would love to see this.
Order
thing
filled.
I just took one off on ES. I'm gonna move my stop loss to in profits. I'm gonna also set a re-add at 43.80.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
43.80 is an add.
Yeah, I just
Excuse me.
adjusted my stop to 9.5, 1695 on the Russell. So it's coming up. I want to see if it's there. It goes. Wow, nice green to red move. Wow, bro, dude, this thing it is dying right now, dude. S&P is just going down. Oh man, dude, that's great. I love to see it.
Like follow suit, man.
Yup.
Sheesh.
Pendragon saying old rule. If it flies, floats, or rent it. Yo, this guy. Yo, this guy. Oh man. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. That's funny.
Be try to take some profits, ladies and gentlemen. I just took partial on ES. My stop loss is now at 43. I'm gonna keep it at break even, and I'm gonna look to add to ES. Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, dude, it's coming. We're going downtown, man. Downtown, baby. Wreck-It Ralph on a Thursday, as I already know. Dang, ES is really. Oh my goodness. I think you have room down to at least at 50 day. You got another like $2.50 at least. That's at least.
Give me a second.
All right. Yeah, guys. I mean, you guys got plenty of room to go here. I'm waiting for the Russell. If it can come back down to the price of 92, I want to see what happens at 1,692. I want to see what happens if it can break to that downside move. This is a 5-minute loaded up here, so I want to see S&P is just selling off, continuing to take. So it's gonna essentially, why does that matter for the Russell? So the mid caps here, the 2,000 mid caps in this play are also going to be affected by the entire overall market. Okay, blue chips, massive large caps are going down. Okay, here comes Russell 2000 as well. Mid caps are going to go down. Hey, maybe even some small caps that are on the bigger side of small caps. You know what I mean? So it does matter a little bit. So I do use all these points in effect here. I do use all these points in effect here to see what's going to happen. But yeah, what we just come back down to? Price of, what's the low here? Low of 9,270. We're about 7 cents off, 70 cents off. But, you know, it moves by tens. So we're going to see here, man. Guys, we're going to see. Shout out to Grambo once again. Shout out to Grambo for the little RTY plays here. Okay, coming up. 9.5 is my stop.
Stop filled.
There it goes. Just hit. All right, I'll take it. Quick 150 on it. Quick 150 on it.
He doesn't take care of it.
It's very climate related. You know, there where he is, probably 2.5 tons.
I mean, you learn things you never expect. 2.5 tons to take a cab through the winter, but of course it does depend on elevation.
Give me
That's
1
John
second,
Love
ladies and
for you.
gentlemen. Sorry, my chart, my trade caster.
When we're up, higher.
Yeah, mine's is acting up too, right?
Yeah. Huh. Sean, you gotta fix the program, buddy.
Icon and aluminum activist, remember Jeff Smith.
Sean, we gotta get the website developers, man. You gotta stop getting them off Fiverr. No, I'm kidding. He doesn't.
Orders filled.
Some of the website developers be crazy over there too. Anyways.
Real estate monetized. Stocks down though. You can see these shares are down after reporting numbers.
Yo, Fiverr website developers, bro, they're probably cracked actually, dude. You gotta think about it, dude.
Look, I'm looking at the semis that are just.
If you guys ever need anything done for a reasonable price, go to Fiverr.com, baby. They'll hook you up. I'm not affiliated with them, but just letting you guys know. Just letting you guys know how it is. Alright, give me 1 second, guys. Loading everything back up here. S&P get a nice big lower shadow. They're starting to pop back up really quick. Yeah, wow. Nice lower shadows across the board. Did get out of RTY. Took my profit. Nothing crazy, guys. Oh, okay, that's why. Oh, what? Oh, look at that, dude. Yo, he added that. He added the trading ski trip. Is that a button? Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, no, what?
Look in your top left. Right near the Tradecaster button. Guys, if you guys are interested, click that. If you guys see it on your screen, if any of you guys see it on your screen, click that trading ski trip button, man. Do you see it at all?
Yeah, for HP. Yeah.
Here it is, guys. So Tradecaster, right here it is. Trading ski trip, top left, right beside the Tradecaster button. Click that. Utah Ski Trip Trading Mastermind. Guys, if you guys don't know how to ski, you guys know how to ski. YB will be there for one of those events. You know, buddy, I've only ever teared up the slopes about twice in my life, but I'm going double black diamond on them things. Triple backflip bogey over top of the third dimension. You already know, baby. I'm picking up a snowboard. Will I die? No. But will I get crazy? You bet you. Behind, I will. You're gonna be like, yo, is that YB tumbling down a mountain? You know it is. So, guys, I will be there for one of the masterminds. I think it'll be really fun. You know, I will also, I did get permission to do a backflip off of this balcony here into this pool. I did get I did get permission, so that will be going down as well. So guys, I will let you know which one I will be going to. I will be going to one of them. But yes sir, ladies and gentlemen, I think what is it? Ladies and gentlemen, I think it'll be good. Just reset everything. So yeah, buddy. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are chilling out, bro. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, having an awesome day, man. But yeah, guys, yep. Just don't let what is it? Don't let your little mindset or anything get the best of you guys. So make sure to stay active, guys. I think that's gonna be a great, really fun trip. Sorry guys, I was looking at something else. I think that's gonna be a really fun trip. You guys are not only gonna be able to trade live with Sean, myself, any of these other traders. I don't know if Caesar wants to pop out to any of them, but if he wants to come to one as well, like you guys not only get to trade live with us. What's up?
I said I just might.
Yeah, buddy. Well, there we go. So yeah, you might get myself. You're definitely getting myself. Caesar will be going. You get Deck as well. No matter what, you're getting Deck. I don't know if Kush is coming. AK might come as well. If any of these guys want to pop out, any of these streamers, they'll definitely let you guys know in their chats. But I'm 100% honest, guys. It's an opportunity like no other. Just like these masterminds, except yeah. Besides mastermind, sorry for the drop. Do a quick update on our end. Thank you, Tradecasters. Yeah, buddy. There we go. So yeah. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be an opportunity. So you get to trade live with us every single day. There's gonna be more opportunities. We're gonna be facing, you know, obviously you get to ski with us. I'm trying to think of really what he has planned. He has a lot planned, I will say that. But it's just gonna be fun. It's gonna be laid back. It's gonna be you know, time away from the wife or husband. You know, you get to chill out. You know, trade socks, ski, or you can bring the wife and husband, man. Get your +1s. So guys, yep, that's gonna be up. You guys can find that on Twitter. You guys can find that in your top left as well, guys. In your top left, if you guys go to Tradecaster.
There we go. It says, yeah, trading ski trip. Okay.
Yup. So right there it is. So secure your spot in the Utah Ski Trip and Trading Mastermind for only $3. Okay, think about it, guys. Only $3,200. Act fast. There's only 13 spots are available. Okay, the first week's already sold out, so there's only one more left, guys. So I might be going to this March one. We're gonna see. I gotta talk to my. We gotta see because March 5th and 9th is actually when states are. For wrestling, so if I have any state competitors, oh baby, we'll see. It's gonna be tough. But I do plan to be there. I do plan to be there for one of them, guys. Do want you to know that.
The non-player in the game can talk to you like free guy.
They can talk to you.
Yeah, they'll be able to talk to you. That's what we're hearing.
So yeah, buddy, chilling out, guys.
Awesome, good. You guys can hear me.
That there could be some
chilling, guys.
Be programmed, but not. By the way, with not like good morning, how are you? But like, oh, good to see you.
Hear me? All right, all right.
Trick and make it so that I think the grant. This was not confirmed by Strauss. I want to make clear that. But this is one of the things that I think is.
All right, is everything up and running, guys? Yeah, maybe I need to restart it.
The stock is.
Guys, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna restart the stream here.
We're in media. You got the journal piece about Disney's strategic review of linear TV business.
Give me 1 minute, guys.
Okay. There we go. Okay, everything's back up and running, ladies and gents. Hopefully you guys are here. You guys are aware. Anyways, RTY starting to push those highs, guys. Coming back up and into it. NQ, wow, taking off. Skyrocket. ES as well. Guys, this is craziness going on right now, man. We just had a nice, basically a $1 drop. Now flipping the script back to the top side here, guys. Might load up one RTY contract to the top side above these points.
Order filled.
Getting in one here just to see if we're going to break these highs here and continue to rip and run. Kind of riding momentum up here, guys. Seeing what the S&P is going to do, man. RTY is taking off, so really riding momentum. That's the game plan here. If not, you know, all good. But, I mean, just riding momentum. There it goes, guys. Wow. Wow, what a play, man. What a play. What a freaking play, dude. Hey, YB, why are you only trading one contract? Just because of how quick they move. You know, I get a little bit of a longer hold, but dang, baby! Woo! Bring the energy, guys, because dang, that thing's ripping, man. I want to see it hold these highs now, though. Hold up on these highs, continue to push, baby. All right, waiting on the S&P 500, waiting on ES, NQ. Could be potential short opportunities coming across the board. RTY, though, doing the opposite of the rest of them, man. Making its own paths. Pushing to the top side here, push 1705. Waiting and watching. Looking to get out of this shortly. Want to see it come right back up. Wow, guys, dip opportunity right there, guys. Dip opportunity right there. Finger on the trigger though. What's gonna be my stop loss? Stop loss is going to be at the price of 1702.50 probably. Looking for 1705 and above. If not, I see the S&P coming back down. Only thing I'm saying is below. And then I would do the opposite here. You know, guys, I might. Oh, man. Yeah.
Order filled.
I locked it up for like a couple dollar gain. And oh, my goodness. I was just about to pull the trigger, bro. No, dude. Look at that upper shadow, bro. Oh, that's so good looking, man.
Order filled.
We're gonna attempt it. We're gonna touch it. We're gonna touch the water here. 1702 flat is what I'm filled at. This is the last trade in this little segment here. I'm gonna call it a segment just because it's like my segments. I'm looking for the price of downwards of 1700 flat, and then below that, there it goes, guys. So I'm looking at 1700 flat and below that. Oh, that kind of rhymes. Anyways, yeah, looking for S&P to come down. It's holding up. That was a nice big upper shadow. Now starting to flip the script and come down. So that's kind of what you're looking at there. So you're looking at the script that flipped and come down here. Nice big upper shadow coming in. As you see, we had that beforehand right here, and it sold off massively. Wow. Filled at 1702. Filled right here, guys. Want to see it break that to the downside and dump a Rooski, man. Give me that little bit of wiggle room here.
Give you an update from here because I did not say anything about World. I did not.
We've been waiting for Pfizer to come into compliance.
If not, I will get out, as that could be two lower shadows. Just matters. Green to red here does look nice. Oh, baby. Green to red here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Hit me with it. Hit me with it to the downside, guys. Hit me with it to the downside. Back below 436, I think we got it. Back below 436, I think we got it. We just have to punch it in below 436, guys. 06. Come on, baby. We are so close to it. 04, 03, 436 flat. Okay, starting to break it. I want to see that hold now. I want to see these lows hold up. If these lows can actually hold up, we'll be good to go. Oh, wait, did we? Okay, no, we did not. No, not this candle.
What people thought the numbers could be, but I think that CGen's
Yep, stop loss is going to be coming up as these higher lows are holding. I need to see this not really be able to make higher lows here. That's the whole point in the short. Yes, it has to dump off these highs. So that's how you play it, guys.
It's taken longer to get to the finish line than many might have anticipated originally. Still is. I had reported weeks ago, by the way, because I was being told, at least on the CGen side, that they thought they'd be in compliance very quickly or soon. That was incorrect, and we're still waiting for that second request certified. Once you do that, then the clock starts.
Okay, so what could possibly be, since there is like virtually no cancer franchise of Pfizer, what is the overlap that would make it so that there should be even a request?
Jim, you don't need an overlap. If it's big, you know that they're going to get up there. Lena Khan's going to give it a hard look.
Well, it's just enough already.
Doesn't mean that they're going to get them.
I mean,
in fact,
I think we need some hype music, guys. I think we need some hype music up in here, guys. I love the Christmas vibes, but we need some hype music, guys. All right, like the normal pump it louder, like the normal like get up, get out of your chair, like the normal like get ready to rock and roll, baby. Coming down to 1702. Let's see it, S&P. Let's see it, RTY. ESNQ. A good Ruski in the books, guys. Coming up, I will get out.
Yo, NQ, huh?
Yeah, bro, taking off.
Turn up the radio, flash your stereo.
Woo! There it goes, guys. Looking to get out of this now. Breaking those highs. Giving it 1 second. If it holds above that, I'm out. If that's going to be an upper shadow, that's fine, though. Oh, my upper shadow, bro. Oh, I wish I would have got filled. Wow.
Adding to NQ short 15,376.
Wow. I'm just gonna let this rock, guys. No DCA. Hey, Darth Trader, baby, in the house, guys. What's up, buddy? I hope you've been chilling, man. How was Vegas, bro? We were just talking about it yesterday. I was like, yo, buddy went to Vegas and forgot about trade cash. So I'm like, yo. Wow, nice big upper shadow.
Yeah.
Wow, there it goes, ladies and gentlemen. go, ladies and gentlemen. Let it cook. What? Let it cook, bro. Oh, baby, yo. What? So I'm looking for that downside push. Caesar, how you printing right now, buddy?
Oh, I'm good, man. Added ES short at 43.85. Just entered NQ at 53.76. So I'm just gonna wait and let this thing pay out.
There we go. There we go. We feeling some energy over there, buddy. I'm producing a little bit. Okay, guys. Okay. If this thing breaks this 50-day EMA to the downside, guys, that's kind of what I'm waiting on here. It's kind of what I'm looking at here. I want to see 1700 flat break. I want to see 1700 flat break and hold below, guys. S&P starting on that come down, starting to come down hard here. Looking at 1700 flat to break here and punch in some of those lows, guys. I could see down to 1698. Would love to see those lows come back into play here. S&P, it's all up to S&P here, though. S&P has to come down here and hold. RTY is volatile, so it can dump a Ruski right back down like it did multiple times, man. It just sells off. It was right down to that point of 1700. Want to see it back underneath that? I think we can sell off. S&P has to come in, though, and hit that downside flip. Okay, guys, hold on. Chilling out. I want to see the S&P below 430. Hold on. Turn the music down, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. I would love to see the S&P below 436. Below 436 makes me feel confident, okay? I want to see it come back down to 435.75, guys, okay? That's kind of my point, in which I'm like, okay, I feel comfortable with that. 435.75, okay? That'll make RTY go back down to 1700. I think NQ will push down and maybe, you know, back down to, where was that low at? 6.8. Same with ES here. I want to see ES come down to 80 again if it can. You know, see it touch those lows, and then we can get that nice crack fade sell off. But this all starts with it holding below 436, guys. Below 436 builds that confidence, guys, okay? Below 436 builds that confidence. Alrighty. What are your thoughts, Caesar?
For me, as long as ES holds below 4,400, we should see a continuation down. NASDAQ, for me on NASDAQ, as long as NASDAQ doesn't get above 15,414, we should be good.
There we go. All right. So from the future king himself, Caesar, giving you guys that little breakdown. Yeah, buddy. So what is it? So guys, what is it? Darth Trader, by the way, saying little pit stop over in Cali for some Disney and Universal. Back and at it Monday, Money Monday. I did take one trade at the open, 2 AS shorts, quick little 331 and done for the day. Yeah, buddy, yo. Congratulations, man. He's in and out, man. Watch by 436.18. It's a 4-hour resistance. Okay. That's good. I'm glad. We're coming right back down, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I want to see it come back down to 1,700. I'll probably take half at 1,700 and leave. That'd be one contract out of 2. Now, like 5 spots left, guys. You guys got to get them quick. 5 spots left now, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. That's all you guys got. We got 5 spots left for the ski trip. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you guys are. Wow, coming down here, guys. I want to see it.
And that's for March, because January's all filled.
Oh yeah, it's already sold out. Yeah, that is true. There's five spots left in total. Damn, that thing sold out quick. There we go. News in 5 minutes. Oh crap, I forgot to post the US. Okay, what time? Oh, consumer sentiment. Oh crap. All right, let's see these lows come in, man. If we go below 1700, that's kind of what I'm looking at now, and then maybe a sell-off off consumer sentiment. We'll see. We'll see. What do we got? 4 minutes left. There it goes. There it goes. Wow.
There
Pushing
we
those
go.
lows.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Yes, ES. Slide, baby. Slide.
Nice, man. Nice. It just has to break that 50 on RTY, and I would love it, love it, love it. Yeah, NQ has all these upper shadows, man. So does ES, has double back-to-back upper shadows. Damn.
Corteva, and there was a
There it
couple
goes,
of
there it
defenses
goes.
up
Wow.
today. Sellers overdone by Deutsche Bank, but the complex that is Deere, Corteva, FMC, Enco.
Let's see if we can get back down to 4370 on ES.
Wow, yup. Breaking that support there at the 50-day and the 1700 point on RTY. ES flipping down right below. I want to see it below 80, and it's starting to hit. That's beautiful. Oh, man, NQ as well. Damn, bro. You are printing right now, buddy. You are printing right now.
Come on.
They will. Know who else will.
ES and Dow are the ones dropping the fastest in comparison to NASDAQ.
Right.
Okay, I did Corteva.
What's holding S&P up right now? Probably the view up. If it breaks 6-1, guys. 6-1 coming in. 6-1 coming in. It just needs to break it, though, off of these lows.
St. Tom's,
I don't want to see this hold up. This higher low pattern hold up. I want to see this dump. If it can dump off of that higher low pattern here on RTY, on ES, on S&P, all these points, I will feel a lot more comfortable. Let's check out overall NQ, see what's happening. Overall NQ, M pattern on the top side. Looks like it wants to come down here though. Actually, looks like it really wants to come down. There it goes. S&P now starting to flip the script to the downside. We got 2 minutes until that consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. comes out, guys. 2 minutes.
Let's go. Give us a nice flush.
Yeah, right. You know, I think I might get out of half of these here.
Order filled.
I'm getting out of half. I'm holding one. And then I might get in on ES below the price of the view up at 6-1, which looks to be 80 on the ES, right around that point. So just gonna wait and see what it does there. But I'd get on micro ES or even NQ almost, either or. I need to see NQ, overall NQ, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, hold on. I was supposed to, yes, I am trading. Guys, this is the issue with me trading options though, is that I'm so focused right now on futures that like I just get lost, man. This is why it's when I trade options, it's gonna be like, okay, hey, there's a clean setup coming, I'm gonna take it, right? And I have to have my eye on it because I'm just like, yeah. All right, guys, maybe I'll take some Apple underneath this 50-day EMA, but this is gonna be like a quick play and just my first trade, just getting it in, guys. Consumer sentiment in less than 1 minute, guys. Okay. MNQ, maybe I'll take one at this consumer sentiment, or no, give me MES. MES right there.
Ooh, beautiful.
Oh, baby! Oh, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Right off of consumer. Wow, man. Wow. RTY. I want to see you dump now, man. I want to see you sell off. Wow. ESNQ. Wow. What a dump, bro. Right down to the view up. Are you TPing?
Orders filled.
Taking some profits.
Wow, guys.
Let's go. Come on, let's get another ad.
Orders filled.
Okay, adding to ES at 43.82. Come on, I want 43.70. 43.70. Come on.
just gonna do that on RTY. Just set a stop real quick on RTY. Looking, gonna go to ES here. Wow, ES now below the point. Damn. Okay, it's holding below its view up, guys.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in because it's below its view up. There we go, guys. Wow, immediately selling off, dude. What a play, guys. What an amazing play, dude.
Let's go. Let's go.
Like,
Let's
yeah, buddy,
go.
bro. For
Let's
real, dude.
go.
There it goes. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.
There we go.
So consumer sentiment. Assuming that came out as bad news off of that as that drop came in. Let's
Let's
see.
go. Oh my god. Up 10 points on ES from the ad at 43.85. Let's go.
There you go, buddy. There we are. Wow, dude. Yup, just chilling out, holding the ES, holding the RTY, holding them both, just letting them rock right now, dude. They're both pushing their lows, man. Wow, what a play, dude. Crazy, crazy. Okay, so the medium forecast for November's consumer sentiment was 63.7%. Okay, let me look up. Okay, it's not out yet. Let me see. Okay, consumer sentiment report. Not breaking those lows, guys. Coming down hard here.
Shares today, also yes, in the red.
Okay. November 2023 global consumer sentiment. Hold up, looking it up right now. Okay, well that's, brother, I have no idea what that means. Just give me the percent. Give me like 1,000 charts. I'm like, hold on. Yeah, hold on, buddy.
Getting some consumer data a couple moments ago. Let's get back to Rick Santelli. Morning, Rick.
2023, 63.80. No, that's in October though. Is that the news that came out? Was October's news? How's that work, guys? How's that work? Anyone have that? How's that work? So does that mean October's news came out, or how's that work? Wow, dude, these things are still pushing their lows, man.
This May of this year, we're looking for a number north of 70. And if we look at expectations, what may lie ahead, we're looking for a number 61, 61 and a half, 56.9, and you guessed it, that is also the weakest level.
Order filled.
May of this year. Now, let's get to one-year inflation. Expected 4%, up 4.4%. So let's look at this. If you look at where we were in September, it was 3.2. Last month was 4.2. That means we went from a 6-month low to a 2.5-year high in 1 month. Now we're moving up to 4.4, which remains a comp going back to April. But
Yep.
Order filled.
Get out of that one. All right, I'll take it. 255 on it. 255 on it. Damn, bro. Darth Trader, Dunzo, bro. Oh my goodness, dude. Go enjoy Cali, bro. Go enjoy, your family, dog. Homie's in here printing, dude. Oh, I should have taken Apple. Guys, I should have taken puts on Apple. I'm sorry, guys. I should have taken puts on Apple. I'm sorry, all you options traders that were waiting on that. I'm sorry, guys. Not bad. Coming down to the trend line now, though. I need to see a crack trend line. Oh, that would have been print city, guys. Wow, dude, that would have been a printer, dude.
But outside of 20 and 30 year, all maturities are up on the week.
How do I switch days? Oh, 0D. Okay.
Meantime, the Fed chair warning the Fed's fight against inflation is not over, and the future rate hikes are still on the table. His comments come on the back of that
Beautiful.
yesterday. Steve Leisman, of course,
Beautiful
covered the
show.
details.
I think I would take these ones right here. Apple, 182.50, 18. The what is that? Implied vol, the open interest 14,000. I don't really.
Financing the government's massive debt. They haven't gone away with
Delta 39%, Gamma is 0.07, Theta is 13. I don't really. I gotta learn what those. There you guys go for anyone that knows it. Okay, so I'm gonna be buying not 10 of them. I'm gonna be buying. We're gonna do 3. That's like we're doing realistic numbers here. 3 of them, and I'm gonna mark it in on that. Time is gonna be day. I'm gonna be buying 3 of them, and that's gonna be underneath this trend line right here, guys. That's been holding it up. Underneath that trend line, down to the 200 days, what I'm looking for about 10 to 15% on those. So I got that loaded up, not punched it in. Beautiful day today. Sold too early on the drop, but green is green, bro. Being up 500 bucks, yeah. Green is green, my friend. Darth Trader, dude, you are Print City, and look at this thing coming right back in. Wow.
Any serious
RTY coming right back, dude.
Order filled.
Order filled.
NQ short. I'm looking for sub 15,300 on NQ. Oh yeah, come on, baby.
There it goes. Wow, what did I just short? Okay, I did get the short. I'm filled at 696.90 on RTY. I'm looking for a green or red underneath. Yeah, bro. Looking for a green or red to come down, baby, and just dump a root this thing, bro. It looks clean here. Right at my point. Seems to be the low. If it breaks, it's gone.
The next marker is for where
Okay, hey,
rates are going.
I do have my eye on Apple, guys. Make sure to remind me on that. I do have my eye on Apple. I want you to know that. I have my eye on all of them, man.
Easy this week, and it doesn't get any easier next week.
It doesn't, but in the meantime, we can look forward to that interview.
This thing goes green to red. My stop loss is coming up, guys. My stop loss is right above this. I'm not really looking too forward to it above that. Nice green to red, dude. If this thing goes green to red, it's done. All right, guys, coming up really quick. Has to come down here. If not, I will be getting out.
Yesterday's suggestion has shown was a result of some loosening market conditions, namely the yields declining over the past few weeks. Do you think that's part of it there?
Yeah, that's my interpretation. I mean, we saw the stock market rally. We saw long-term bond yields come in. Financial conditions eased. And I think Chair Powell just wanted to make sure that the financial markets don't get ahead of themselves. I think he feels pretty good about
Order filled.
All right, guys, locked it out. I'm not too impressed by the price action right now on that, so I'm probably gonna chill out on RTY. S&P coming down, man. Let me load up overall. I forgot I can even just trade S&P in general on options. I don't have to trade just blue chips.
A slight tick up in inflation, a pretty substantial
Not a
tick up in
crazy
inflation.
day, nothing crazy. I do have that 50K loaded up, but I think I'm gonna wait till Monday to trade that, just due to the fact that I mean it's just not looking. It's not, it's not really looking that great today. Today's a little bit of chop, I will say. It's not 100% chop, guys. Not 100% chop, but nothing bad. Morning. What's the bubble machine have spy support? I got you, buddy. I'll load up the bubble machine for you. Trap head on a 2-minute ES chart. Trap head on a 2-minute ES. I can believe it. Man. I'm waiting here, guys. Apple taking back off to the top side. Overall NQ coming back to the top side now.
Nervous about that as well. So I think inflation expectations, wage growth.
Bubble machine says support at the price of
Resolutions from the UAW
4374, guys. 4374.
be resolved here. Do you think ultimately those will turn out to be inflationary?
If I zoom in, it's the price of 4375 flat is going to be your support there, guys. If I scroll out a little bit, it's going to be 4374. Okay, ultimate support 4374. Watch out for it. Calling it now. 4374. Watch out for it.
What's my target price? My target price on NQ is going to be 15,220.
Order filled.
So I'm looking to snag a nice 100-point plus on NQ to the downside.
When you have very strong, and that's not what we're seeing right now. So it feels like the labor market is easing up pretty much on cue.
Hey, Mark, there's always a certain component of the sort of financial community that's
196.
My average is
but it does feel as though it's
15,366.
$2 trillion deficits
There we
possible.
go, baby.
Interest costs financially as we need to refinance a good amount of that debt over the next few years. You've spoken about these issues, I think, at least been willing to weigh in. What are your thoughts?
There we go, baby.
on sort of this
RTY coming down, man. Looking for 1694, man. It's gonna be the last. This is genuinely probably gonna be the last one on it.
Fiscally, really front and center. It's one thing when
So if an opportunity presents itself, man, I'm not gonna waste it, right, guys?
yield, you can run.
There we go. Slide, baby.
Nice.
Slide. Oh, let's break yesterday's lows.
Nice, guys. Gonna load it up here. Give me Weeble here. Gonna load up. Gonna keep up the rest of them. Gonna let them rock. I do have my take profit coming up into play here. I'm gonna set it at 1940 on half of it. Oh wow, it's coming up faster than I expected.
I think that this is testimonial that we
Yep.
need to really.
Yep, I sure am.
Listen, I think bond investors are really attuned to it.
I want to see if NQ can break the lows of 15,207.
Give me a green or red on this candle, dude. Wow. If S&P can hold underneath that 200-day, man, the more I look at it, S&P underneath that 200-day, we're good. S&P has to hold underneath that 200-day for ES. I feel like to come down here, RTY to come down, and Q. There it goes, starting to get back below it. Oh, come on, baby, hold. Hold underneath it. Flip red here, and give us that dumper Rooski we've all been looking for, waiting on. You know, just envisioning, baby. Getting it all in, man. Getting it all in. There it goes, starting to come down a little bit more here. Want to see it underneath the price of 435, guys. Less than 10 cents off it. 12. I want to see 10, 9. I want to see it hold these lows, baby. It's so close, guys. It is so close to it, man.
Decision. You know, reminds me, David, I'm going to botch this, but Winston Churchill had said something to the
Looking for
effect
those
that,
lows.
Americans
I
try
just can't.
everything and then they don't really do the right thing. That's not exactly right, but that's kind of roughly right.
It has to
That's
hold
what I'm
up,
hoping
man.
for.
It has to hold up.
You know, we're trying desperately not to do the right thing, but ultimately we'll be forced to do it.
That's
Like, come
certainly
on,
a glass
baby.
half
Come
full
on,
take
baby.
right there. See the notes that you say the most significant
Coming right back up
here
off
is
it.
the
Up to 435, now 40. Is it gonna chop, guys? Is this chop now? Is it buy the low, sell the highs now? Is that what we're in? Are we in that situation? No more breaking out, no more ripping and running. Buy the lows, sell the highs, buy the lows.
no days until the next election.
Is that all it is?
Yeah, that really worried me, Leslie. I mean, you know, it feels like it's going to be a really close election under any scenario. It's going to be contested. And,
You know, sell every pop type market. Thanks. Yup, no problem, buddy.
Order filled.
Yup, and right there was that support coming into play. Right there.
Back, US.
center.
There we
So you
go.
want to point out, I just want to put a stake in the
Yup,
ground out there
S&P.
for you.
I just, man, dude.
Down the road. It does feel like to me the
Order filled.
system, particularly the non-bank part of the system, you know, private equity.
I am in on
private
3
credit.
RTY to the downside, guys. Nice top there at the view up coming down. Nice top on S&P. That was a good entry, Caesar. That was a good entry.
That's something we also need to watch for 2024.
Yeah,
There it
absolutely.
goes, guys.
It's certainly been drawing more, especially
Taking a
that
look at
non-bank
Apple.
financial.
S&P, guys. I don't know, man.
Thank you very much.
Can I scalp options on S&P on this?
We have a regular roadmap for the rest of the hour, including the letdown in luxury as we head into the crucial holiday shopping season. Another high-profile name reporting weak numbers. What it's saying about the high-end consumer.
Plus, Eli Lilly gets approval for its weight loss drug,
Right there.
and we are
Wow.
expecting
There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm going to load up. I think what I'm going to do is, this is 0-day expiration. Okay.
What's this
What are
thing
these,
for
70
those
each?
stocks?
Limit, market, I'm going to load up. Since it's only $70, I'm going to load up 4 of them a day coming into play. I want to see it underneath that 200-day, guys, right there. I will take this here. Got my finger on the trigger, ready to go. I love RTY coming down here, guys. I love RTY coming down here. Remember, this is on a paper trading account on Webull. Just going to test the market, though, see how it works. Okay, so underneath that 200-day, I feel confident. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Order filled.
Got out of one of these, holding 2 more, man. I would love to see this thing sell off, come down. If it breaks that old low, it's coming down, baby. Like, it's really going to come down. All right. So, got everything loaded up. Would love to see S&P 500 underneath that 200-day, guys. And I will load this up on Webull. I almost want to see a whole... Wow, RTY looks great to the downside, guys. RTY. RTY. Hit me with it, baby. I want to see that red come in, man. I want to see that red come in. I want to see a nice big lower shadow bink. We're not even a lower shadow, just wick to the downside, man. Nice. Nice S&P. Want to see it happen here on RTY as well. Oops. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. There it goes on RTY to the downside. There it goes, guys. Nice. I want to see it break that low, though. That's the thing. It has to break to the downside. Break. Same with S&P. I want to see it break that 200. See how that support there, guys? Look at that support, man. I need to see that crack. And if it cracks, guys, and holds those lows up, we're coming down. Next candle forming. Oh, my. Green to red, man. Green to red. Hit me with it, baby. Hit me with it, bro. Hit me with it. S&P 500. Do it. Oh, man. Hit these traders with what they know they want, baby. Oh, man. You're so good. Green to red there. Oh, you're so beautiful, dude. You're like a hot tamale on a Thursday morning, man. You're like a hot pocket straight out the oven, dude. I'm not even sticking it in the microwave these days, bro. You're coming down, baby. All right? Like your temperature level's got to go down in like a hot pocket before you touch it, right? What are you trading? RTY? Yes. I'm currently in an RTY trade, Russell 2000. Grambo introduced me to it yesterday, and I actually liked it. There it goes, guys, okay? Simulated success. I'm in this right now. I bought 4 in this trade right now. Okay.
Come on.
There it goes. There's my position. Okay, I just need to see. Is it loading up, though? We're in this. We're good. But I can't tell if it's loading up or not, guys.
Let's go. Let's
Build.
go.
Okay, average was 0.90. Wait, what? yeah. Rewind, brother. Rewind, brother. These are $70 contracts. Wait.
On the one hand,
Rewind, brother.
running a major-
Wait, guys. Wait.
Orders
Rewind.
filled.
How is my average $90 when I bought it in at 72?
You know, be given
What?
opportunity ahead. On the other hand,
What?
Lily,
What, dude? What the fuck? Wait. That doesn't make sense.
That was Eli Lilly's CEO, David Ricks. He was on Post all over time yesterday.
Okay, wait.
Discussing
Maybe
the-
they're just not loading up fast enough.
Just
Maybe
after
I'm
the FDA
not
approved
wrong.
the-
Maybe I'm right here. Okay, guys, I'm still holding these out. I'm confused on that, but I'm still holding it out. If S&P dumps here, I think it'll update the price. I think it'll update the price of it. Like right now, I'm sitting at break even. It seems to be. It seems to be that they're at 94. Okay, now we're in. So now I'm up $6 per contract. Keep hitting that refresh button. Keep hitting that refresh button, man.
The headline number about a 20% reduction in cardiac or cardiovascular benefit, I should say, at 20%. But what are we expecting this weekend from Nova?
Order filled.
Holding one more of these RTY contracts here. Guys, stop loss on S&P. I don't know how much it's gonna hold below, man. I'm not gonna lie. You guys want me to be honest? I'm not gonna lie. Above this 2.5 point might be it. Once again, I thought I was getting filled at $70 on the contracts, not 90. So once again, not crazy enthused about that. Not crazy enthused about that.
Fringe, and we can kind of tell, whether these drugs are going to get labels added to them, expanded populations over time.
And importantly, I would assume as well the possibility or likelihood that they get covered by insurance.
They will get covered. They should get covered. I think all the data that we've seen so far has been pretty spectacular. Not only weight loss,
Basically right there, I'm down to $8 per. I want to see this thing dump here, guys. I want to see it sell off. That 200 days just holding up is too much support, guys. Yep. Getting out of this.
Order filled.
Got out of that there. Waiting and watching. I'm still in this. I'm still in the contracts here, though. Waiting and watching. Remember, this is a paper trading account, guys. This is me. Down 15%. This is me waiting and watching, seeing what's going to happen here. I might DCA here if we can't get above that view up, and that'll be my stop loss completely. So in 8 now to the downside. In 8 now. My average fill price. Hold on, let it load up. My average fill price, I'll show you it.
Is that big move already taken place based on the expectations for what these drugs are going to mean to those respective companies, and what would be a catalyst for a further move higher?
I think so. I mean, 45% return for Novo over.
Okay, am I still only in 4? I thought I was in 8. Okay, no, that's fine. I thought I just got filled in on 4 more, but that's okay. I think I have working. Okay, this one's working. It's not filled, but it's working. Okay. Yeah, guys, it's a little bit confusing, but
potentially higher. I mean, there are really no easy stories in healthcare.
Limit price was 0.73. Can I submit it? So I canceled that order. I'm still only filled on 4 of them. Okay, so I would just have to mark it in at the price in between. Okay, right.
How constrained are they by manufacturing capacity at this point, just given the overarching demand and competitive picture that's happening?
Yeah, it's interesting because Novo just made an announcement this morning expanding capacity by $6 billion. So obviously they're really gunning for it. I think it's an issue. More logistically inclined than anything else.
Sorry guys, I'm just a bit confused on how these work out really. I thought I was buying in originally at $70 per contract, but okay, so right there submitted by. So now I'm filled in. I should be filled in on now 8 of them. Yes, 8 of them right there. So now I'm switching this up. 1, 2. Okay, not by 10. Number to 8. There we go, guys. Okay. So my average fill price now is now going to be right around 80, I want to say. Right around 80. So if this thing sells off back down to the 200, I think I'll be good.
Obviously getting in the game, I think, is a big deal.
My stop loss is going to have to be above what seems to be like 435.70. Paper trading be weird? Yeah, maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's weird. I don't know. I mean, obviously it's going to be a little bit slow. I could assume so. just because of the fact that you're not live trading. So like they're gonna put you on the back burner to get filled in like fake contracts. I don't know how that actually works. I don't know.
To his point, earlier, do they have too big a lead?
I think the lead is pretty big, especially in the injectable market.
You know what, Caesar? You know what, Caesar? I think we need to come out with a we need to make a proper paper trading platform for all these traders. You know what? I think that's your next business adventure, buddy. You know, you already
proper trade,
like a proper like paper trading platform for all the new traders out there.
What's wrong with the one you're using?
There's nothing wrong with it. It just seems to be, maybe I don't understand it, but it's a little slower. But I'm paper trading with the Webull for the options contracts. But I mean, I'm just saying it's another business adventure. I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know.
Webull's not as it's not as advanced as like say Thinkorswim. You might want to try it with Thinkorswim.
You think so? Okay.
With TD Ameritrade. Yeah, they have a really good on-demand function and paper trade. Like the charts update in real time, but the numbers on the side are delayed by, I want to say by like 20 minutes or so. But the candle print is the same as it's happening right now.
Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. Yeah. No, I was just a little bit. I was confused a little bit about it. I was like, huh, this is weird. But I think it's not terrible. I was just saying another business adventure. You know what I'm saying, man? Get into it.
Mhm.
You know. If you ever get bored, just want to make a whole other software instead of like a prop firm, make a paper trading platform.
It depends. I mean, like certain softwares and tech items like those, it's a great deal of time, coding, and money.
Yeah.
So
right.
You know, certain ventures you have to weigh out. You know, what's the cost to return? You know, the time, how many personnel you're gonna have to get, and stuff like that. And developing software, bro, like that takes some money because obviously you're gonna go through, you know, issues and stuff like that. So
right. No, I mean, I'm with you. No, yeah, dude, I know that developing any software. No, I'm kidding, dude. That's not a cheap aspect. That's not a cheap game to get into. I'll say that. Yeah. So
you spending some money.
Yeah, you're spending a lot of money, right? Yup. So
yeah.
Yep. So yeah, no, that's good though.
But it's not a bad idea. I mean, definitely I would say, like, you know, there's quite a bit out there. I mean, for futures, for equities, for forex, you know, and depending, like, if you find one that just not quite fit, it doesn't fit like what you're trying to do, and then, you know, you'd have to find like a coder, programmer to, you know, develop program what it is you want to do.
Right. To do it all, yeah.
Webull, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
So you're doing. Okay.
Doing a little bit of the good old options trading, because I was gonna use what is it called? Interactive Brokers, man, but they were just doing too much. Like I don't know, because I've already had an account with them, so I would assume it would have been way easier, right, to just redo my stuff. But they were like, then they asked like a million different questions, and I was just like, some of the questions I was just like, because they were asking for like the normal questions, like, oh, like obviously like your info for what is it, like what is it, like proof of residency, blah blah blah, all that kind of stuff. But then they were going like in detail, like questions they didn't ask me beforehand. I'm like, whoa, buddy. They were asking me, I don't even know, dude. It was like random stuff. And they wanted like a million documents.
What do you do? What did you do to get this? Like,
right, dude. It's like, I'm like, all I did was like, I just didn't have their. I stopped using their platform for a little while because I switched over to futures, right? So you know, I mean, switching over to futures, I wasn't options trading, so I just pulled my money out. Obviously, I'm just gonna let money sit for no reason, so I just pulled it out. And, then they what is it? I was reopening the account there. So yeah, the guy's coming back into play, ladies and gentlemen, you options traders, Here we go, baby. Nice DCA hit there, guys. Nice DCA hit. So my average fill price seems to be right around the 80s like I thought. So underneath this 200-day, guys. Underneath this 200-day. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, bro. You guys can TP some if you're in the same amount. You're only up like 3-4% here. But, yeah, you can't complain. I can't complain. So, guys, options traders, here you go. Right near that view up. I want to see this dump back down. I would love to see this dump right back down.
Over the course of the last week, And Ethereum right now is catching this kind of big bid over the last couple of days.
Love to see this thing dump down. Catch like 20% on it. Call it a day. Call it a day, guys.
Yeah, backed by spot.
Catch like 20%. Call it a day, guys.
Stoking some more optimism.
Contracts are ranging between 8.4 and 9.
Partials on NQ at 15, 340.
There we go. So this 200, I don't know if you see that, Caesar, if you have it loaded up on your chart. If you see a 200 day, I don't know if you use that at all. But this 200 day EMA, man, on the 1 minute is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 15 wicks, bro, under it, and it just can't hold.
200 EMA on what instrument?
Order filled.
The 200 EMA on the S&P 500 on the 1 minute chart.
On the SPY?
Yep, on the 1 minute, and right here it is again, wicking off it. It just can't hold below it. I don't know, I don't know. It just.
You're looking at a 1 minute. Hold on.
Yeah.
I don't trade or go off of the 1 minute.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's how you get your long term holds, right?
Well, I mean, SPY, it does move slower than ES and stuff like that. So, yeah, for me, the lowest time frame I'd probably go down to is a 5 minute.
Okay.
But I stick around the 15.
There we go. Okay. Well, hey, ladies and gentlemen, now it's starting to crack. Guys, here you go, man. Up 8% on these, man. Waiting and watching. Now taking off, guys. Up 18% on these. Who's in an options trade, baby? All right, like I said, paper trade, though. Paper trade. But who's in an options trade, man? So you would have put in, I think around 800 bucks, and you'd be up 23% on these now. You guys would be up 23% on these now. Wow. Wow, man. We're gonna get into this, guys. I gotta touch this. 30%. You guys will be up 30% on these. Wow. I can't believe I'm not in on ES, NQ, or any of these points.
ES, yes, baby.
Guys, wow. Looking to take half here really quick.
That slowed to 9%. Not bad, but watches, they took a really big hit. They actually declined.
So sold half, holding half now, guys. Wow, man.
You see
Waiting and watching now, bro. Wow. Finally cracked, dude.
Like Rolex and Tech believe. Now, Richemont Chairman Johann Rupert saying, quote, "It's no surprise to us that the market will slow down across asset classes because
I don't know really.
Order filled.
Got put on an RTY short. One RTY contract to the downside here, guys. One RTY contract to the downside. Confidence levels on these aren't terrible. That's why I got it on one. I think we can continue to sell off. Still holding out the Weeble. Still holding out the Weeble. Four left, guys. Don't worry. I got you guys. So listen, guys. What did I do to get in this? I just DCA'd in at the I got in on my original entry, and then I DCA'd in on the VWAP touch, right around it, the VWAP touch. So in near the 200, DCA'd in near the VWAP touch, and now she's coming down, baby, and she looks like she wants more, man. I'm gonna wait for RTY to see what it does here, but still up on the day. Happy to be up on the day, but I might switch over to. Oh wow. I might switch over to ES, guys. I'm thinking about ES short.
Let's go. We already in this, baby.
Yeah,
Order filled.
Caesar's like, I'm already in that ES short, buddy. What you talking about?
Order filled.
So I'm waiting and watching, guys. I'm in 20. I'm not looking to really hold these 20 out too long. My stop loss is going to be that 200 day. Anything under it, though, we can sell off, guys. If we break the 70 point here, guys, and we continue to dump, dude, we can go down, ladies and gentlemen. S&P 500 really starting to come down here. Would love to see an H pattern just dump.
That's now fading, so you've got to
Yep.
true luxury consumers, right?
I tell you.
You're gonna risk like profits on the day, probably. Looks to me maybe a little risque. A little risque. Still red on this. I'm not against it. It just has to dump here. It's coming up to it though. Wow. New 5-minute for me on ES, RTY, all of them.
China with the U.S. as a luxury market and dominate global luxury spending as the majority of spending is now fading. So
there we go. Yup. Done on the day. Check my message. Okay, word. Got you, Forbes. I will definitely. The second I hop off, check them. 15%, guys. Yeah, buddy. So there you go, my friend. Still holding these out right now, dude. If I hit the refresh button on them, I'm up 26% on these. Still holding them out. Holding them out, guys. Up 26% on these. Remember, this was on 3. This was actually, excuse me. This was on 4 to 8. Yeah, guys. I'm thinking about getting out of these. on ES. I know it's like scalp city on these, but it has to hold these lows up. If S&P can dump down below this point, hey, correct me, bro. Correct me here, S&P. Make me be like, oh, never mind, guys. Glad I held this out. Correct me here, S&P 500. Just dump ski, bro. I just don't want any higher lows here. You guys see that? I want that to just dump. I'll mark it. I'll mark it. I'll mark it. I want that to dump and sell off.
We need to break. I think ES is going to end up breaking below 43.64 after the London close.
Okay, there we go. That works, yeah. And that's like S&P. That'd be S&P coming out like 434. That'd be great. Yeah, I don't know how long I can really hold it out, but I am looking for that sell-off, guys.
Are going to have some resentment about those brands that really increase prices.
It's just a little bit of Chop City. I think I'm playing the wrong ways, guys. I think I need to stop. I need to not get in on lows, you know, looking for lower. I need to get in on the highs looking for the lows and get on the lows looking for the highs. You know what I mean? So just not playing the wrong way, essentially. Like, this might be the right way. Maybe I'm lying to myself. This could go green or red here. Do I think it's going to continue to sell off? Yes. Do I think it's 100% going to sell off? Yes. I do think we're going to come down a little bit more here. We had that nice, it looks like we almost want to come back down to the price of, you know, in between the price of 4366 down to like 4358 or something in there. Like, that's just our little range from yesterday. Excuse me, this morning. And then we took off, and now we're coming right back down to it, guys. I mean, it really depends on what happens here, but I could see that low coming up. I'm filled with the price on ES of 4370.25. So if that comes down and starts breaking, you know, not against it. Filled on RTY as well. Let's look at my RTY. Filled at 1692 on RTY. So, guys, coming down to the trend line, starting to break it, breaking the higher lows, guys. Starting to break higher lows here, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, RTY new low. RTY new low. Breaking those higher lows, guys.
Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going, baby.
Wow, there you guys go. I would love to see that thing go green or red here on this candle. Green or red on this candle on S&P 500. Nice. Green or red on that candle. Want to see it dump now. Dump ski, baby. Hit me with it, baby. Hit me with it. Hit me with it. Hit me with it.
That was just gone.
Yup, there it goes. Starting to break it, guys. Is today Veterans Day, by the way? Isn't today Veterans Day?
I think so, this weekend or something.
Yeah, let's see. There we go. We're coming down, guys. Okay, well, I'll be here tomorrow for on-demand Saturdays, guys, but happy early Veterans Day for any of you veterans out there, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is not Memorial Day, so I can say that. All right, this is the one where I say thank you for your service. All right, I got you guys. So looking for that to come down here, ladies and gentlemen. Green to red on me here. Dumpski down to 434.50 area. Okay. It broke the trend line. Looked great to the downside. But it's just ranging. It has to break. It has to break.
Is rarely true, pushing deeper into Gotham City today. Health officials
Come on.
Just looking to see where it's going to go. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen.
This after the Hamas run health ministry says a number of people were injured.
Wow. Wow, guys. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Down to 50. Want to see 50 break like butter. 434.50, break like butter, man. Oh, came down right to it, guys. Came down right to it, man. Right to it. You're so close, buddy. You're so close to it. Green or red on me. I know it's the first new minute of this one.
64, man. I want to see you under 64.
Yeah, buddy. Under 60. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, man. Come on. S&P 500. 434, baby. Come on. Guys, we are so close to this break. Tomorrow, okay. Okay. If Wednesday low cannot hold, I might hold a short for a bit. Yeah, buddy. When you said Wednesday load, TT Life on which time frame there? On excuse me, what ticker? What ticker? No, which ticker? I would love to see this thing sell off here, man. I would, like, it's so close, bro, to like a proper sell-off, man. It just keeps punching these little lows here. And just, I would just love to see that one.
Good to see you. So we're unchanged on the week for the S&P, but the Nasdaq really still, mega cap tech still matters here. We're up about 1%. Take a look at the sectors. It's very choppy.
Trap pattern? Question mark? Question mark? Question mark? Trap pattern? Question mark? Question mark? Trap pattern? Hit me with it. Hit me with it, S&P. S&P, hit me with it. Do it, S&P.
Vanguard ETF that I really watch because it's got Amazon, Apple, Microsoft.
Hit me with it, S&P. Don't be playing no bugger games. S&P coming down, looking like a great trap pattern if it breaks this low here. Could see this candle come down to these lows, breaking 50, guys. Trap pattern. Trap pattern, guys, starting to hit. Below 50 makes me feel great. Makes me feel confident, guys. Starting to punch in those lows. Hit me with it, S&P 5.2. Would it come down to a low 50? Breaking it. Come on, baby. Break it. Break it right here, baby. Like butter. Like butter. Oh, it's so close to it, man. It's so close. Just do it.
That's coming.
Energy's been weak for weeks and weeks as oil has moved down here.
Oh, yeah.
If you look at it,
Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. It's so close, bro. Green to red me. So close. Okay, SPY. Okay. Okay. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. S&P, man, goes green to red here, guys. It's selling off. Right there it is. Green to red, sell off. Hit me with it. Below 50, guys. Even Tango saying yes. Even Tango, if you guys hear the dog screaming, he's like, yup. He's like, yup. Let me know. Yup. It's happening, Jaden. YB, it's happening.
Order filled.
Taking some partials on NQ. And I will set another at 15,345.
Interesting that they couldn't even get it up into the mid-size of the range here. So if you look at where we have here,
dude, we are right there. Oh.
Look at this, we just squared $18 billion. That's all we could raise so far this year.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, got out of half of my position on ES. Holding RTY still and holding half of my position here on ES. Just because I don't, just in case the low shadow. RTY holding up to these lows though. RTY is holding up nice. Wow. Compared to ES, holding up very nice. I would love to see those lows hold up here on RTY. If S&P goes green or red, I think RTY might dump. It's kind of playing out a little bit differently.
Okay, little pop for the London close. I have a reshort on ES at 43.77.
Okay.
Order filled.
I just got filled on my add back on NQ at 15,345. Let's go.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. Still in these, by the way, guys. So if I refresh these four, I'm gonna get out of them. It seems to be, it's just sitting at 26%, which I don't think is correct. Wow. I don't think that's correct. There it goes. Okay, only up 9. So I'm holding these rests. I want to see these lows come in now. There we go. So went from 26. You guys could have taken, obviously, take 26% profit. If you guys are up 26% on contracts, take that profit, guys. Like, do not just let that sit, man. Obviously, I'm trading futures with this, so futures is the main platform. So I'm gonna be okay. Now back up 21% here, guys. Like, this is great gains right now, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing gains. So you guys definitely want to take some of this profit if you're in on these. 26% RTY really selling off now, man. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man, dude. Yo, Caesar, bro. Caesar, bro. Print City, dog.
Nice.
That off your.
Yes, sir.
Did you get the top?
Nice add on NQ. Come on.
Up 28%, 31% now, guys. 31% now. I want to see this continue here. Looking to get a 40% move on this. Looking to get upwards of 40%. We'll take the rest of these here. There it goes, guys. Underneath 50, guys, coming down nice. Wow, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, guys. AMD strategy. I want to see it come in here and hit. I would love to see this thing hit. Put my finger on the refresh, 32%. I want to see that come down, guys.
Got some guidelines in here to watch, and then again on the 10-year, below 460 is somewhat encouraging to stocks, and above 470 would probably put pressure on them. So very much about bonds
Want to see
and
that
about
break?
yields. So that's a key area, and it was an important discussion that David was having.
So close, bro.
Towards at the long end, not too long ago, 5.
Well,
There it goes, guys. 50. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes, guys. Want to see that hold these lows now. Broke at the last second. Want to see it go green to red off this candle, though. 41%. It has to go green to red here. No lower shadow.
We got nervous. The game's not over yet.
If
they take it down below, I would say 425, it would matter. I do think one of your other.
I'm gonna lock up. I'm looking to lock up on these. I'm up 34% on these contracts right now, guys. 34% on these contracts, guys. This is how I'm doing it. And this is half of them. I already took my other half at 30%. So this is half at 34%. So holding the rest of these out, guys. This is for you guys, you options traders. I've just been holding these out, guys. Just been letting them rock to the downside. I'm still in RTY. I'm still in ES. So letting them rock to the downside, guys. I would love to see a red candle come in after this and start to sell off here. Start to take this down. I know, it's like, why do you take profit? Like, wait.
The interview.
Wait.
You know, you've been talking about deficits for years at least is one concern. I'm just curious how concerned you are at this moment and how much it colors your view of not just the treasury market, but by extension
436 resistance on SPY and then nailed the put under 435 after the wedge crack. Banked going into the weekend. Where was his entry? Where's your entry here, Deck? Amazing, buddy. Amazing, bro. GG's, man. Good job, my friend. Good job, buddy. Okay, just wait and watch it. Yeah, I think we're going to continue this downtrend holding it up. RTY is holding up nice. I want to see S&P do a little bit of a green wick to the downside. And then ES will follow.
Floor traders have to think about a lot of things ahead of time, and I'm wondering whether the move to Senator Manchin may in fact bring the discussion.
RTY, bro. RTY, bro. RTY choosing violence to the downside, guys. RTY, bro. Wow. Wow, guys.
He was a little bit of a deficit hawk.
What a clean move right now, man. Waiting and watching. S&P coming back down. Here we go, guys. Back up 32 on these. Looking for that low day. Back below 50, I feel confident. Back below 50, I feel confident, guys. Who's up 40%? If you guys got in with me on those, what is it, when I got in, remember, who's up 40% on these, guys? Wow. Looking for it to hold below 50, guys. Below 50, I have confidence, guys. I will take these. Below 50 again, I will take these.
Yeah, we'll see. After Romney and now Manchin, how much of a center holds in the Senate at least are.
Yeah, buddy.
Following through, we should see a bit more downside once the London market closes. If you take a look at the current 1 hour time frame, we have a bearish engulfing candle,
there we go.
Which it's very nice volume as well. So once we get the London close, we should see more downside.
There we are. So from the man's Caesar, more downside. Yeah, I'm just like using a little bit of technical analysis. I can just tell that 50 point is gonna hold up as a little bit of support here. But if it breaks, man, and just like the last point, what was that last point there? What was that? 7.5 was holding up that 200 day. If that broke, man, it went down, and dude, we got that nice push to the downside, man. RTY, I want to see that red come in again. Coming back down here. It's making me feel confident here. ES as well. I want to see S&P go green to red on this candle, and then next one flush. So yeah, buddy. So what, you just holding out for now? Caesar.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Well, no, I got back in a short. I added back to NQ what I took off, and I'm just looking to possibly add one more time. I still have a sell limit on ES at 43.77. I hope I can get that, but if not, I'll just take the break of 43.64. To be honest, I might even just start scaling in here because it's starting to look really healthy. So yeah, so I'm gonna just scale in here. I'm gonna mark it in.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm filled at 43.69.75, and I'm gonna leave room to add if it comes back up to 43.77.
Right. That candle looks so nice. If this red can hold out, man, I think the next one's gonna sell off.
Yeah.
I want to see this red hold out.
Yep.
Oh, so
Yeah.
close.
The pattern that I've been seeing this week is like once we have a bearish engulfing candle, the following hourly candle does a little retracement, and then it continues to the downside. So let's see if we have that replay today.
Okay, so like this candle, this hourly candle going in from 10 to 11 is a retracement, and then, or are you saying that the next one, 11 to 12, will be the retracement?
The next candle, which will be the 11 o'clock candle. So let's say the 11 o'clock candle, it might pop up to 43.76, 43.77, 78 area, and then continue down.
There we go. Okay. Well, there we go, guys. So thoughts from Caesar, baby. Thoughts from Caesar. That should be like a segment.
Yeah.
Get like your own TV show.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm with you though. Yeah. Right. Yep. I'm with you.
Right.
So still holding out, dude. Theta's not really. So these ones are gonna be. These are 10th November. So these are same day expiration contracts, but Theta's not eating them up as much as I mean, I think my original fill is a little bit up there still. So Theta's really not eating them up that much, guys. I'm chilling out. I'm really looking for that crack to come back in on the S&P. I know it can happen though. What I'm gonna do here on RTY here is I'm looking to probably to take some of these profits here. One RTY contract, looking to take these profits if this pop is gonna hold up. RTY, once it picks a direction, it usually follows through. Is what I'm picking up from it. So like, if we wick here and come down, I'm about it.
Championed by Vanguard's late
4 points away from my ad on ES. Come on.
So wait and watch, man. Wait and watch.
Now, long-term
Come on. Give it to me.
CEO of Robinhood.
Dex saying big account trading next week. I will of course do the small account, but I will also be trading my large account. I want to throw in some 5,000 plus days in the mix. Yeah, buddy, bro.
There we go. Ooh, come on. So close. Come on.
You're looking to see what, a pop then a drop?
Yeah. I want this 43.77 fill. Come on. Give me.
Oh, that'd be like the view up here. Oh, view up coming up on the S&P. I'm with you in a way.
Oh, come on. Almost there.
Order filled.
Order filled. All right. So I got added. My cost average now is 43.73. Let's go.
I might have to join you here as yeah, my cost average is 70, so I'm looking for some sort of downside push off of these highs.
Wow. Faster rate than older generations, and then Vantage Track points out flows into bond ETFs and treasuries as well to capture.
I just don't want to see the change of direction for the day.
10-point pop. Jeez.
Yeah, dude. I don't want to see a change of direction for the day. I want to see this.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, now in 20. Wait and watch. And if ES comes back down to my break even, a little bit below it, I want to see it break those higher lows, kind of. You know, RTY is kind of nice, but.
Interest income, so they're really trying to lean into that sort of mature with the investor, and now offering things like retirement accounts and sort of adjust to this different investing paradigm, higher rates. They're saying that, you know, things like active trading, yes, it'll be a part of the business, but they're trying to adjust here and steal market share.
Bought another 4 contracts there.
What is it?
Bought another 4 contracts on the S&P. Bought another 4 contracts, so in 8 contracts now to the downside. Wow.
There you go. Good ad. Wow. Yes, sir. Come on.
Wow.
43.60s, man. Can I get 43.60?
Dude, you got a
beautiful,
ad,
beautiful freaking ad. My lord, damn. Am I on it or am I on it?
Yeah, buddy, bro. Oh wow, dude. Look for that to break that 250 day there and start to flush to the downside here. Would love to see it, especially on ES. Would love to see ES come back down. There it goes, guys. There it goes. You guys are back in the green on that nice DCA. If you guys got in with me there, on that nice DCA on these contracts, these option contracts. There it goes. Nice. Want to see it hold these lows underneath the 50-day. Hold these lows up, S&P. Hold these lows up and then start to push down below 435. 435 needs to break to the downside. Would love to see it right near this 250, and it's gone, guys. Would love to see that. Down to the trend line. Would love to see it. Trend line's down to 7.5, guys. We got a little bit of room to run to the downside, I think.
Mm.
Right there. This would be support if not. Love to see some green or red here. Green or red, baby. Hit me with it. Go to the price of 4373.37. 4373.37, guys. Love to see some of that red come in, man. Dump a Rooski down to that point. It says 3.8, then 3.7, 3.8, 3.7 area. Nice coming in. That's on ES. I will load up my RTY. RTY in at 9.2 flat. So 1692 flat, baby. And then also fill in these contracts at the price of, I'm gonna take a guesstimate here because now that they're at 76, I'm gonna say right around OP plus $4. So I'm gonna say 72, 74ish. Man, I would love to see that dump here, man. It's like so close. Wow. RTY looks like it's about to sell off here. I might add.
Yep.
Order filled.
Yes, I'm in both shorts, ES and NQ.
Love to see this thing sell off. Nice. Discipline, dedicated trading. Let's see this thing sell off here. Nice, RTY. RTY, I would love to see ES starting to come down. S&P starting to come down. Has to break that 250, man. Green or red candle, though, would do it. Green or red candle would do it, guys.
Which is nearly 11% of Diageo's net sales value. Now, the company also said it expects to see slower growth in the first half of its fiscal year, with net organic sales declining by more than 20%. I will say one bright spot is North America showing gradual improvement in sales. But look, it's not just hitting Diageo. Look at shares.
Love to see green or red just spike to the downside, man.
On the guidance from Diageo this morning. So what's going on? Well, the street clearly taking this guidance as further signaling of weakness in the global consumer, especially when it comes to expensive, high-margin premium spirits. Brands by Diageo like Johnny Walker Whiskey. On the opposite side of the trade, though, you have companies like AB InBev, Constellation Brands, where this is less of an issue. You can see shares there less impacted. Companies with portfolios that have broader price point and less reliance on premiumization to drive growth from consumers. But as consumers trade down, that's the opportunity for names like this, whereas it's the risk for names like Diageo.
It's hard for me to feel.
On the same theme, Wine Spectator revealing their top
I think that this could be that. How many minutes do we have on this live? 2 minutes?
over 25 bubbles on
I think
that
we
list.
can
It
solve
cost
that.
under 25 bubbles.
Next candle form, yeah.
This morning, Spectator senior editor,
Yes.
tasting director.
Wow, there goes RTY, man. There goes RTY. Really carrying us here, man. If ES comes back down, man, we're gonna thump a Rooski here, dude. S&P too. Want to see S&P come back down here, man.
1,200 wines, of which nearly 6,000 were eligible for top 100. And we used 4 criteria. We used quality based on score.
Wow.
We used value
There it goes,
based on
guys.
price. So we use availability and something we call the X factor, which is the backstory behind the wine.
Nice. Wow, guys. Wow, overall. I know that I'm up on these contracts, but I'm going to hold it out. I'm going to hold it out, guys. Being patient. Patience. P-A-Y shunts, guys. Patience. You guys get paid to have patience here. S&P breaks his 250, dude. I can see a dump below 435 down to 434.75, guys. Wow, man. What a beauty, man. Look for that thing to go green or red underneath these 2 points below 435.
Chino 2018. It's
confidence.
Sangiovese, and it's rated 95 points. And it
Glory to God, baby. Glory to God, baby. Let's see it.
Imported to the U.S., so it's fairly widely available.
Glory to God, baby. All glory to God, man. I'm telling you.
5 minutes till London closes.
Yeah, buddy. Starting to pick up. So what you're thinking? So what did you say again? Excuse me. You said that the next
Usually, usually before London closes, we get a little pop, which we're seeing, and then once London closes, we should continue to the downside.
Okay. So, yeah, because people are getting out of their positions and everything, right? Is that essentially what you mean? Like,
Yeah, probably. Yeah, for the weekend and stuff like that, repositioning.
Right.
Is under 50, and as you mentioned earlier, a little more than a quarter of the list is less than $25. So.
Is that usually the case, or have winemakers become more efficient in their manufacturing processes?
Has to break this right here.
The case, yeah. I mean, we focus on value. We want to find interesting wines, but also good value for our readers. So, that's pretty typical for our top 100.
When it comes to corks and glass and labor.
Nice little upper shadow there. Nice, I like that. I like this, guys. Everything coming into play here, ladies and gentlemen. I like this.
It's been more expensive.
I like this, guys. I'll update you on the option contracts once this break. I don't want you guys to think about it right now. I want this to break. I'm holding these contracts out for a little while. Theta's not eating them up due to the fact that we're DCAing. The more we DCA, we get the... I'm saying it's not DCA. I'm saying we keep getting good fills on these, so the Theta's not eating them up, as you guys saw. So I'm filled at the price basically of $72 on the contracts. If we go to $90 to $100, you guys are making almost a pretty decent amount. So looking for this red to come in, break this trend line, guys, and then I'll check them out. Break this trend line, and then I'll check them out. I'm glad that it's touching right there, but green or red here, and it's going.
Obviously, I'm sure the quit rate for you all is very low.
Yes, I've been with the company 30 years, so yeah. We have background in retail or sommeliers, and it's a great job. What can I say?
How old were you when you realized you could, not that you just had the palate, but that you could verbalize the palate into...
It's so close, bro.
I got interested in wine as a teenager, and then really when I moved to the U.S.
Yes, man. S&P, bro. S&P is just in this little range here, guys, and if it breaks to the downside, bro, it's gonna break. It's holding that little trend line I have placed, man, and it just has to break, bro. Like, these wicks gotta stop happening. We just gotta break. We just gotta go. I gotta have patience. That's another thing, too. I just gotta have patience. I know. It's like this thing, dude, it's sold off all day so far, and I feel like it's going to continue here if it just breaks this trend line. Look at that. Green to red coming into play. Breaks that 250 day right here, man. Bink to the downside. It's gone, guys. I'm calling it, guys. Time of 11 coming up.
2 minutes left.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh man, bro, it's just freaking playing games, baby. No DCA this time. I'm gonna chill out. Alright, man. I will be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Caesar, you can take it away with your game plan. I'm gonna go grab a freaking stogie so I can not watch this chart like my freaking brain depends on it, right? So you can take it away if you got anything. I will be right back, guys. Be right back, like 1 second.
Shake my ass, I'm stopping it. I look hot in it, hot in it. I look hot in it.
All right, back and at it. Oh, a little bit of a push above view up here on the S&P. It just ate that trend line, man. What time is it? Oh, 11. There it is. Let's see, man.
Yep, 11.
Like $50 on the day. I would just love to see that just dump a routine.
Order filled.
Are you DCA?
Added to yes. At 43.78.25. Whoa.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Just a little fake out.
Yeah. looking to get out of some of this position here shortly if it wants to continue this. I got that 50-day holding it up on RTY. Not looking to hold this out too much longer, guys. Okay, only down. Okay. MES here. You know, as much as like I expect this pop to come down here, I do expect this to come down off this pop.
Order filled.
Like filled in on 20 more. Down here, it's technically 4 minis. Want to see this come down to the view up. But I can't be biased, guys. That's something I can't be. I can't be biased to the downside. I don't want to be biased to the downside. I would love to see, and you know, ES is really what's holding me back here.
Later on,
View.
Broader indexes, the S&P up about a third.
Wow. RTY with the sell-off, bro. Like, I should just be trading that, bro. Oh my goodness.
Green as the 10-year pulls back a little bit. 10-year yield.
Meantime, topping the tape for us this morning was last week's relief rally, a reliable low. All the major averages are on pace for a second positive week in a row.
See, overall in Q, I would love to see these trend lines just need to break, guys. If these trend lines break, man, it's going down, bro. Trend line crack, downside, man. Trend line crack, downside. I want to see S&P jump a Rooski back down, man. I'm not a fan if it doesn't. I need to see green or red back down to the view up. We're not that far off it, though, so it's not like it's impossible.
Get a pretty good momentum.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Looking at end this Friday. Good. Not bad. All right, green, not red.
Certainly said this is a trend change.
You see it built at 7656 now, guys. 7656. Looking for that downside push. If I just get break even on ES, I'll probably take a lot of them. I cannot hold this out forever. Not looking to hold this out forever. Have to have a stop loss set. Very much so. Gotta have that red. Need a stop loss on ES. And RTY. But
not that alarmed by, you know, we had the little flurry of upside work and yield that auction yesterday. Didn't even get to Monday's highs.
Don't want to see a reverse trap pattern. I want to see that red come in, guys. Need to see that red come in, bro. Yet to even come down to that trend line, bro. Like, it has to come down to this trend line. I know it can, man. I mean, yeah, guys, it's been a choppy day. The more I look at it, I look back a little bit, it's kind of chopped. So I expect the chop to come down here. Yeah. But
we think 500 basis points of Fed tightening and this massive move in long-term yields should have had more economic.
Guys, I cannot hold this out forever. Guys, I cannot hold it out. I'm approaching my stop.
On rate. On the other hand, earnings tilting higher in terms of the 12-month projection. It seems like we got a trough in corporate earnings that usually should support things, but even the earnings.
Yup, guys, look at that, pushing those new highs, guys. It just continues to rip, guys. I don't know how much I really have on it. I don't have that much room at all. I think at this given rate, we'll just do a high day break. High day break, completely out. 100. That's too far. That's too far. That's too far. No, I'm not happy with that. It could be a head and shoulders pattern right here, but this would have to be it.
This week when there really wasn't much aside from Fed speak to play off of, and really just the market really reacting to itself, to its own off-the-block condition and all the rest. Next week, yes, CPI, I've been saying for a long time, disinflation is the escape route from everything that's been bothering the market. Whether it is, you know, the Fed being done as of July, that's probably something that the market wants confirmation of. And of course, just exactly what valuations ought to be in an environment where either inflation.
Maybe we're just doing what we did every single day so far, guys. We have that nice downside rip, and then we end up just pushing up a little bit. Well, except for yesterday. Maybe not. I don't know. Around this exact same time yet. Dude, look at that thing pushing highs. I don't know, guys. I'm definitely gonna have to get out of this thing very shortly. At least ES. I gotta get out of this. Nah. Yup, coming up to those highs, guys. I can't really hold it out too much longer, man. Like, I don't know. I have a stop set. It's above that high day, but I almost don't even want to wait till the high day, man. I just don't know if it's gonna pick direction to the top side. Don't have me being on the long. I mean the shorts, right? Caesar's over here just chilling. He has a game plan. Caesar's like, dude, I don't.
Yeah, I might be stopping over here at the highs. Oh.
Basically just giving up yesterday's gains, but right, dude, look at that. Wow.
We're still in this world where I think,
like, I just feel like it's so overextended right now. I don't know what's making this thing gap up like this, but this is overextended. Like, this makes me want to get in on shorts, but I'm already in on shorts. You know what I mean? Like, is this stable though? You know what I mean? Like, is this a wow, bro. Wow. Yup, guys.
New highs.
Well, I mean, we think as we go
Yeah.
the circumstances.
Oh my goodness, dog. I'm about to stop out. Oh my gosh, bro. What the fuck?
Order filled.
Sector earnings growth profile, and that should lead to a broadening out effect. And when we talk about our mid-24
Okay, I had to DCA in on that top. That was only realistic for me to DCA in on that top, guys. I had to DCA in on ES on that top. I don't have any wiggle room, though. I have no more wiggle room. That has to come down here. Like, that has to be a pop to a drop. That's it. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It has to be that, like, distribution now to the downside.
Order filled.
Yep, getting out. I just got out of 80. I thought I just got out of 80. Oh, okay, I'm still in RTY. That's why. Yep. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. In on the wrong side. Not a good play. Not a good play whatsoever. Being in on the wrong side. Not a good play whatsoever, man. Shooting it all down, man. Wow, what a play. What a wrong side play on my end.
4% growth with Q3, but that came at the expense.
See, now that looks like, oh my goodness, dude. It's like, bro, what? Now I'm gonna enter in with a lighter size, man. Like, I just don't see these highs holding up. Am I crazy for that? I feel like I'm not insane for that.
Very expected cautionary commentary.
So what was this from? Do you have any idea?
Nah, man, I was
Order
not
filled.
expecting this to keep pushing up like this, man. Damn.
Yeah, like, this is crazy, the top side.
This market, man, just won't freaking die.
That whole conversation, one thesis you guys put forward was that the most palatable political solution might be to raise corporate
Pal
tax.
Talk said 2, it's coming down. Right, I just don't have till 2 o'clock. That's it. I just don't have until 2 o'clock to sit here in a position and wait this thing out. I mean, shit, dude. Like, if RTY dumps down to the price now of like 8,740, I might. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna be up like 3. How much am I down on the day? 3K essentially. So like, I think the S&P is gonna come down here. 100%. It looks great to come down here. But the thing is, I can't get in being like, yes, it's gonna come down, and then be wrong. I don't have the wiggle room to be wrong. Glad I did not trade my 50K, my funded 50K. Great. Super glad I did not trade that. But I don't have the wiggle room to be wrong on these prop firms, right? You know, if it was my personal account, I would have been out before. The VIX isn't holding any support. I don't know what that means. If the VIX is going down, does that mean the market's going up? Yes. Okay, that's correct. They do the opposite, right? Yeah, guys, that's insane. That's insane. I can't be. I mean, you can't get in longs now because it's way overextended. It can come down at any moment. You can't get in shorts. It seems to be at this. You could get in shorts at this top if you have the wiggle room. Go for it. That's kind of all I see, man. I don't see how. I don't know.
Order filled.
Jumped in on 8 of these here, dude. Looking for that downside rip, bro. Just come in and just hit it, bro.
I would say though on this point,
S&P has to sell off though. Like, this push is insane. I don't know exactly what's going on with it, but it just has to sell off here. Go to 9383, guys. 9383.
Higher for longer rate, potentially attached to a little bit higher than previous inflation regime. You know, there's a pretty high connection between sales growth and nominal GDP, not real GDP.
AMD pushing highs.
Is actually not as high as you would think. And so arguing here is that we have to be prepared that there's going to be a lot of nuances that come into play that reflect more idiosyncratic action within the S&P 500. And, you know, I think this tax rate issue is going to be something that's
need to see some red. Like, this push right here is crazy. This push right here is insane. I don't expect it to hold up. You guys want to be honest? I don't expect it to hold up. If this push, wow, look at that gap. Why is there a gap? Like, this is off no news. This is off nothing, no big event. This is off, literally, I don't even know what it's off. There's nothing crazy, bro. There's nothing coming out that makes this push like this besides dynamic traders coming in and pushing this market up, knowing that there's bears trying to come it down. That's the only thing I think of, is somebody put in a giant order, pushing this market up, and you have, you know, large hedge funds trying to push this thing up while we're trying to sell it off, right?
Why down?
It's bizarre, right? I mean, Carl, if you just kind of look at everything going on, the 2 million cuts, everything you just referenced, you think, well, oil should be $100 a barrel. I think most of Wall Street is bullish. Really, Iran and the U.S. and to a little bit Brazil are the factor. Let me explain. Okay, so we have technically these sanctions on Iran because Iran is the primary funder of Hamas, a lot of terrorist activity. But let's just say the sanctions haven't necessarily been as enforced as aggressively as they perhaps could have been or should have been. And so if we look at Iran's exports and Iran's output, it's over 3 million barrels a day. So the Iran story went from about 750,000 barrels a day. Really,
like, this is crazy, guys. I don't think I've seen a spike like this in a while. Maybe this is just filling the gap from yesterday. We had a drop that large, but now maybe this is us get. Maybe that was the pop we just got. There it comes, guys. Looks great to the downside now. But like, I just want people to be able to take those profits and get out, bro. Like, if you guys were in the longs, hallelujah to you. Oh yeah, speaking about that, yeah, you guys are not gonna like the position on this one. It's up 58, but I'm actually gonna look to buy 8 more. So it cost me 600, so that was a $1,200 trade in total. Now, so now I'm in 16 contracts. And I want to see this thing come down. That's it.
Yes,
so probably around 60.
I think Venezuela will be important. They used to be important. I mean, Venezuela, Carl, has the biggest oil reserves in the world, 300 billion or million barrels, zillion barrels, right? Whatever the number is, it's a lot. Now, it's sludgy garbage oil. It's almost mud.
I would love green or red. Dude, like, I just don't know. I might even have to get out. I don't know. RT, like, it's gonna get another pop, it looks like, guys. Yeah, right there it is, guys. RTY holding up these lows really nicely, though. RTY holding up really nicely. Yup, there it goes. RTY holding up really nicely.
Basically, it's another sanction on Iran to get them at the ports.
RTY just held up super nicely on that pop, guys. Once profit is taken, I think it will drop back. Dude, profit takers need to come in, bro. I think they're gonna come in, man. I don't know. I think they're a little bit hyped up that this thing's still holding, like a bull flag pattern. But at the same time, I'm glad I'm in on RTY because it's holding these lows up. I think on any drop on RTY on the S&P, I think this thing's going down. I don't think these mid caps are holding really well.
You know, it's so far $76 a barrel, but things could potentially catalyze much higher day by day based on the
China demand. I would answer China demand.
Yep.
Okay, China. You know.
Yep. No idea, man. No idea, guys. No idea. You guys asked me why did it push up. I don't know. The economy isn't in the best situation. Tensions are high. You know, we have tons. You know, consumer sentiment looks to be came out negative. Let me check that out.
If they are wrong, it would be flat to slightly down.
So keep my eye on it.
States, by the way, the record
Consumer sentiment came out negative, less than expected. You know, what made this push happen, YB? What made this push happen? I couldn't tell you, bro, for $1 million, bro. I couldn't tell you. Meta just keeps climbing. Yeah, bro. Yup, all the blue chips.
Yes, it's as good as ours.
Yeah, right. Yup. If you guys have a good guess, let me know, baby. I'm not usually biased to direction, but I mean, I was pretty bearish today. You know, coming into the market. I just
getting shorted.
I don't know.
And then it doesn't reflect the actual market.
And yet we've seen some pretty significant deal making, at least among some of the super major oil companies. At these levels, does that make M&A more palatable?
Bro, how is it still pushing these highs right now, bro? That is insane, dude. Oh my goodness,
$1 billion
bro.
in new deals in the last 5 years. That's 3 deals, by the way. So, and of course, recently at Exxon Pioneer, Chevron Hus. But here's the thing. So Pioneer and Hess were kind of unique stories.
Order filled.
Add to DCA again, guys. I'm really looking for this thing to drop here, guys. If it drops, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be... Wow. Wow, never mind, guys. Never mind, guys. It has to drop here, bro. That is freaking insane, man. That is insane, that push right now, bro. How is that even possible, bro? How is that even physically possible, bro? Is there no, like, are all bears just out of the market today? I think all bears took a break. Like, DCR, I think we're the only ones here, bro.
Shell buying a BP. I'm not saying that's happening or going to happen, but you talk about super major deals. It's not impossible. Total Energies of France, could they be a player? I think in the United States.
That view up's gonna have to be the stop loss, guys. Beyond it, I want to see it dump, bro, on RTY. I want to see, and it is holding. I will say RTY is doing really good compared to the S&P, compared to ES and Q, bro.
Deal perspective, I think
You know, it's like, YB, why don't you just flip the script? Well, if I flip the script, it could sell off, right? And I can't be mad that it sold off because it's expected at this point. You know what I mean, guys? Like, you cannot be mad if it flips the script on you, man. Like, if you guys are in longs, bro, hallelujah. You guys are printing, but you cannot be mad if it flips the script. Doesn't look like it fucking will, but... Oh, my goodness, dude. What? Oh, what? Guys, about to get stopped.
Order filled.
Out.
Let's see what happens. But would it be interesting if we saw a gigantic European super major deal? I'm sure the regulators would love that.
Pop some nat gas next time too. And whether or not you're
am I invited back?
Ooh, elbowing.
Yep.
That's right. Last call, 7 p.m.
We'll be shooting it.
That was my pay for coming down here.
I got an idea.
More coffee. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Right, so meantime, Twilio. Nice gain this week.
I got an idea. You want to push S&P? You know, this sounds like this might be a little bit of revenge trading, but it's going to be a good revenge trade. It's not going to be a singular trade, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Stay with us.
It's okay, guys. I got an idea. It's okay, guys. I got an idea. Never mind on that. That's not gonna work out. That's not gonna work out at all. That won't work. Nope. 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 That's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. No. It's not gonna work.
Come on.
I just don't know what to really do in this situation, ladies and gentlemen. You know, with it being this high, I cannot, like, if I get in shorts right now, what would my stop loss? Okay, I might get in, you know, 10 shorts. My stop loss would have to be the high then. You know, at 92, get filled. Look, but I can't, oh my goodness, dude. I don't know, man. I don't know.
It could even pop to 43.95, maybe 44.
Right, dude. It has that nice upper shadow right this second if you look on the 5-minute, but it's not gonna hold up.
Let us see.
Yeah. Like down to 90 now. I don't know. I'm gonna have to give it a couple dollars. Like that looks good to be an upper shadow and start coming down, right? But so did 2 minutes ago, and then it didn't. So maybe see a pop back up here, man, and I'm looking to get filled somewhere on these highs, man.
Order filled.
Getting filled at 90 here on my other account. Looking for the downside here. If it doesn't come down here, guys, I'm gonna have a stop loss close. I'm not playing games on this account. Yeah, dude, that's it. Like, I'm trying, it's gonna be the last trade, one of the last trades of the day. I'll come back Monday with a fire baby with a brand new account, and that's it. So what's gonna be the stop loss? It's almost coming up close. It's gonna be 3,675. Because that looks like a great upper shadow, right? Well, the second YB entered, it started the reverse here, but.
Welcome back. The ugly chart for Trade Desk this morning. Third quarter results did
Ugly
beat on
ass
the
chart.
line and bottom line, but weak revenue guidance and
I thought it was a Fed speaker. Let me see if they spoke already. That could have been
the most bullish person out there, brother. Give that guy a round of applause, dude. He's the most bullish motherfucker I've ever seen in my life.
They already spoke.
Above consensus. Joining us in a CBC exclusive is Twilio's co-founder.
Filled at 8975. Don't know how I got filled at 8975, but I'll take it.
Thank you, Colin. Great to be back.
Street has definitely gotten a little more energized.
Got filled at the very, very low of this candle somehow. The very, very, very low of this candle. Cool.
It's now out of the way. Is that how you see
It's okay, dude. Sometimes your fill's not always the worst thing in the world. It's not always the best, but if it's a couple pennies off, it's not the
Business
worst.
from the growth trajectory that we've been on, focusing almost exclusively on growth for the first, 10 plus years of the company's life to build this amazing customer base of 300,000 companies and $4 billion of revenue, and now spend the last 12, 18 months turning it into
7.5 is gonna be it. Where's 7.5 at? If 7.5 hits, I'm out, guys. 7.5 on S&P 500 hits, I'm out. I'm not playing games with this freaking stock right now, dude. If that's a 2-minute sandwich pattern, hit right now. It has to hit to the downside. 7.5 bink.
Order filled.
I don't care. I'm out. That thing can sell off now down to fucking 42, bro, and I don't care. I can't, guys. I'm done. I'm 100% done on the day. Take a little hundo loss in that because this is on my PA account, my actual funded. So I'm not playing this choppy ass market if it's not gonna work out.
But very quickly, we are showing that we can do this into a great profit-making, cash-generating machine.
How do you strike that balance? Because you've got about a third of.
Right, I just don't see it ending, bro. At this given rate, I think, hey, there's the direction, but you can't go long at these highs. Like, going long at these highs is like, it's just insane to think about, bro. Because then you could get, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's hard for me to even process this.
Yeah, I don't think the sun.
I wouldn't be looking to long these highs.
Right, it's like, it's just, even like, okay, maybe we don't even hit lows. Maybe we don't even go down that much. But the thing about it is, like, if we continue to pop and rip, that's good. But if you guys get caught up in the downside, man, and you're in longs, bro, same way we just got caught up in the top side rip, you know?
You get
Like,
data about your customer base, who your customers are, what they're likely to buy, what they're not likely to buy, are they likely to churn or not. You give all this data to AI and allow it to start to optimize the customer journey, every touch point, from your marketing to your sales, to your service and support, to your product, your mobile apps. Like, AI will be able to optimize the journey for each and every customer in a tremendous way. And I think the result of applying AI to this customer domain will be that companies get 10 times better at serving their customers. And they're going to do it at 1/10 of the cost of what they probably spent today to do that. And this is going to completely revolutionize companies and how they approach the whole front office, all their customer operations.
So to that degree, does it really matter about the consumer macro backdrop? And I guess whether or not it does matter to those companies and their margin improvement, how concerned are you about the U.S. consumer rolling over?
Well, we have a usage-based pricing model for most of our products. And what this means is that the more of our products that our customers use, companies who are our customers, the more money we make. Now, this was great during...
letting that uptrend rock. Ever since that pop, it's been on an uptrend. Maybe the crack of that, I might get back in, man. That's it, man. If it can't make higher lows in this 5-minute on ES, I will be looking at that. Yeah. Oh, crap, guys. I'm so sorry, man. Okay, luckily this is paper trading, bro. Alright, doesn't really matter that much. Open P&L is minus 41. Yeah, 16. I'm same thing, dude. I mean, if it crashes trend line, I'll be looking to hold them, but I'm probably gonna get out of these. Yeah, we were up though, like 40. We were up the exact same amount. Okay, now 56. Now we're down more than we were up. But yeah, bro. I mean, you know. I just forgot about it. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was in on my other accounts, and I'm just kind of letting it rock right now. I do think it's gonna come back down. When though, YB? When is it coming down? I don't know. I can't tell you.
You know, I can't say for sure. Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball about the macro economy, but what I can say is, we've been working very closely with our customers.
Boy, oh boy.
Where we've seen more headwinds. A lot of verticals, though, we think are very healthy. And so we continue to work with our customers on it, but I think for the most part, I'm optimistic about where the world's going.
Finally, are you guys getting more aggressive on marketing spend, or how do you approach that going into, say, an election cycle?
Well, we tend to look at marketing spend or any spend that we do and look at it in terms of ROI. Is it turning into more customers or customers who are more likely to spend more? And when that happens, we'll
see that trend line holding up, guys. You guys see that trend line holding up? SPY got to drop here soon. Trend detector says, well, trend detector, man. If you detect a trend, let me know, buddy. Yeah, we're not making those higher lows. That's what I'm saying, though. That's the best part. Guys, we're starting to crack that higher low trend line, man. I'm looking for this thing to start coming down here, man.
The top gainer on the S&P this morning, up about 5.8 currently.
You see what I'm saying, guys? Right here's the trend line holding up. It just can't do this. It has to end somewhere out of here.
The maker of the weight loss drug Wegovy said it does plan to invest $6 billion to boost production. We talked about that in the last hour. Up nearly 50%.
Order filled.
I'm gonna test the water, man. Maybe I'm not supposed to test the water, but we're gonna see. No way I can't agree on this, bro. Filled at the price of 8,975. Sitting right at it, guys. Sitting right at it, man.
Let's see if I have some kind of follow through.
If it holds these lows, it's holding up rather well, I will say, these lows. Or not lows, excuse me, below the trend line. Has to hold up below the trend line, though, man. On S&P, ES. Held up.
What are you looking at, the 1 hour trend line?
No, on this, there's a little 1 minute. It's been going since the pop, essentially. And it tried to push highs already, S&P, but now it's starting to come off it. And that's one of my strategies, is when like it starts to make lower highs, you can get it on lower highs. And you can ride it with like a 1 to 5 RR ratio, but nope, not if that's a lower shadow. I'm looking to get out here, guys. Looking to get out here. Stop loss is going to be back upwards of 80. 8-1 on S&P 500. Because I see a downtrend line now, but if that breaks, I'm out. I'm 100% out. 100% out. 8-1, price of 8-1, I'm out. I want to see 7-2, 7-1 come in, 7D come in. No pops, no pops, absolutely no pops. Nice green to red. Tried to push high. That's good. That's good. I'd love to see that. That it just tried to push up and it can't. And it can't. That means bears could start to take this thing away to the downside, guys. Move on from the last trade, baby. And just focus on the one you're in now, guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So if you got caught up like us, it's fine. Just focus on the one you're in now, man. Alright, don't get stuck up. 43633. Look for that to come in. Look at those lows that come in. Can break that top, so I want to see it come in. Come on now, baby. Come on, S&P. Dumparooski for the boys, baby. Dumparooski for the boys. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see it. Dumparooski for the boys, baby. NQ looking like a top out, man. It's starting to come down, guys. How far can we sell off to, man? Back down to 436, I think. Back down to the 50-day EMA, down to 436.09, guys. ES back down to the price of like 8.6, you know, and then we'll see. We'll see if we just continue this direction all day. Starting to come down. Want to see this original trend line that I had holding up kind of break to the downside, which would then be the 50-day. So that's gonna be at the price of like, on this candle, 3630. So I want to see that break, guys. Do not want to see a green to red here. Excuse me, red to green. I want to see that hold those lows. I just don't know if bulls are gonna. I'm being cautious, man. Stop loss is the same as normal. A thought out play, holding it out. RTY starting to come down here, guys. RTY starting to come down here. No, RTY held up nice. I will say that. Yeah, buddy. Got you, my friend. Yep, so got everything planned out, man. Everything planned out here.
Stocks leading the way, down with British drinks giant Diageo falling by double digits. Johnny Walker Maker warning of weaker operating growth in the second
Anyone have any news on why the pop happened? Anyone have any news on that? Is there any news on that?
No.
Nothing?
None that I see.
Right. I would expect bears to come in a little bit more, man. Like bears to come in heavier and just dump it, man. Just the exact same thing. Like, okay, boys, you want to pop it? Boom, then dump it.
Fascinating, just the interplay between the various geographies.
Might not be till maybe later in the day.
Right, what time is it? No, it's 11:29, you're right.
I mean, right now it's about to be 11:30.
News update this morning with Dominic Chu. Hey, Dom.
Hi. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Leslie. Former President Donald Trump's request to delay his classified documents trial in Florida was rejected today. But Judge Eileen Cannon said in a court filing this morning that she is leaving the door open for a delay and will consider
consider the issue again at a scheduling conference on March 1st. The number of kids opting out of routine childhood vaccines has reached an all-time high. That's according to a new report from the CDC. It means potentially hundreds of thousands of children are unprotected against preventable diseases such as measles and whooping cough. The report didn't detail reasons for the trend, but the American Academy of Pediatrics says a big
Nice
factor
green to
is
red.
rising.
Nice, man. Nice. So what does that mean? Why is that good in any way, shape, or form? All I saw was a huge uptick with Meta at that time, right? Well, what does that mean? That means that it's trying to break those highs and it can't. So bulls are starting to fade out of the market. We're probably really overextended on the RSI. I don't know if any of you guys use the RSI. I don't have it up right now, but we're probably super overextended on it. I can imagine.
Breaches going back 30 years.
Right,
The
dude,
publisher,
so
by the
like-
way, has denied any wrongdoing. Leslie, I'll send things back over to you.
Tom, thank you. Up next, Deutsche says to buy Wynn Resorts on today's post-earnings drop. We'll break down that call.
Plus, a closer look at
Breaks this trend line right here, guys. We're coming down, man. Could start to really fade. Let's probably get below 43650 and stay there. Yeah, buddy. Yup. Starting to crack 43650. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, man. I want to see it break that trend line I have placed. Starting to break it to the downside. I want to see it hold up, though. I want to see it hold these lows, guys. Love, love, love to see it hold these lows, man.
Not bad.
Yeah, it just has to hold up. That's the main thing. Like, hold up on these lows, man. It's... downtrend break. You could be right on that. You could be right on that. I don't think that downtrend break, though, was that significant. I mean, for a pop like that, you know, I don't know if it was that significant for a pop like that. Nice. S&P breaking. Okay, now it's breaking the uptrend. It's breaking the uptrend to the downside. So, hey, if it wants to break the downside at the downtrend and pop, let's break the uptrend and fucking dump. Just a nice big sell-off. Starting to crack, starting to hold the lows up. That's what I'd love to see. I want to see it go green to red here and hold these lows, man. If it can hold these lows underneath the trend line, it's not going to be a dip buy, it's going to be a drop. It's not going to be a dip buy, it's going to be a drop. Sellers are going to come in, buyers are going to step out. Worded perfectly.
Alright, let's see what we get.
Yeah, buddy. Starting to come down. I love it. I'm loving it, guys. I'm McLoving it. I'm McLoving it like I'm like a cheeseburger on a Saturday. Okay, I want to see that red continue here. I want to see that red continue here, guys. Break some lows here. Break that low of the last candle there. 8725. Yup. I want to see that break. 8725. I want to see that break. Wow. $8,725. Break like butter, baby. Break like butter, dude. Break like butter, man. Let us be happy here. Let's end the day a little bit happy. A little bit happy.
Let's see.
What Matt contrary complicated fantastic upgrade the stocks will buy says eight negative markets.
Nice. Good short.
Nice. right there, guys. I could see that thing coming down right to this 14-day EMA on this chart. This thing actually holds up pretty well. I never use it on the rest of them, but I do use it on this one since it's just here. I've never adjusted it. So I could see this thing going green to red coming down to this 14-day EMA here. Yeah, man, just like little green to red action coming in, guys. So now breaking that uptrend, guys. I want to see this thing dump off. Start to sell off here. A little too much sandwich and just sell off, man.
There you go.
There we go.
Keep sliding.
There we go. Here we go, baby. So looking for that 14-day EMA, like I said, guys. Just want to see it touch it. I mean, like I said, I don't use it on any of my other charts. It's just here, so like I let it play out, and it kind of, I just want to see what happens.
Just a minute.
Want to see that 50-day break on the S&P as well. Would love to see that go green or red here. Dump a Ruski down below it. Come down to 436. Want to see what happens at 436. Guys, I think that could have been a pop through 436 and then dumping. Where we at here? Where we at here? Wow, RTY with a sell-off, dude. Yeah, I don't know. I just see this thing coming down more. I just see this thing really selling off, guys. I don't want that to be a dip buy down to 4.3. What is it? 4.385. I don't want that to be a dip buy. It's like right there, guys. guys. Just waiting and watching. I love that it's trying to push, but it can't. Waiting and watching. What are you doing, Steve? Are you just chilling out?
Yeah, I'm just chilling out, waiting, seeing.
Right.
Let's see.
Other than that pop, man, how's the day treated you, man? Other than that.
They not too bad. I mean, the last trade I did get stopped out, but all good.
Right.
Wow. But yeah, not too bad.
Right. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
That's the strategy right there, guys. Broke the trend line. Want to see what it does, guys. It's all up the S&P 500 here, guys. All up the S&P 500, bro. If these lower highs hold up, we're good to go. If not, I will get out. I have my stop loss placed 89 and 93 with that 50, like $300. I would love to see this thing dump though and catch like $1,000 or something like that. Dude.
That would be sweet.
Yeah, right.
That'd be sweet. I might look to enter here at 43.90.
Not a bad entry. I feel like if these lower highs do hold up, it's not a bad entry at all. You know, green or red. You know,
yeah.
I don't know. I don't want to be biased, but yeah. I got my stop place, got my take profit. But look for like 6-7, man. Looking for like 6-7.
No, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take order filled. All right, I'm short at 43.90.75.
There you go.
All right, let's see if we can get something here.
For that red to come in. I would love to see a red candle come in, like that's the push right there, and then it starts to fade back down to the 50-day EMA on the 1 minute on S&P, basically indicating that, hey, bro, we tried to push, we can't push, so now we're selling all. Hey, we tried to push, we can't push, and now we're selling all. You know what I mean? It's like, so it's happened before, and it did sell off back down to that the 50-day. Right there it was. But do got my stop loss above the high of the candle, and then that'll be the last trade. I'll just wait till Monday to come back in. Fresh accounts, fresh everything, and just restart there.
There we go. Up a point.
There we go. Yep. So just gonna let it rock out at this point, man. I'm fine with it. I got my stop loss set. Got everything set. Good to go, baby. Oh, I got some popcorn, guys. Uh-huh. Oh, you guys like them shorts I'm wearing? You guys see them? Oh, no, you guys can't. Like beach shorts. Like beach boy days. Alright. Well, just waiting out, guys. Waiting and watching, guys. This is going to be the last trade of the day. I know I don't like to go against momentum here. I don't like to go against momentum, but I think momentum's coming down. And, you know, there's times where you get caught up in a little bit of the chop city here, in which I hope it's just going to be chop city, and they come down. I just want buyers to start selling out. Sellers come in. That's it.
Come on, stop playing with us. There we go. Come on.
There we are. Chilling out, guys. Chilling. Was a great day up until that trade, guys. Amazing day up until that trade. Great day.
Right.
Great week up until that trade. And that's how it is sometimes, guys. You have a great week, a great month, and then one trade, bro. One bad trade, dude, can just knock it all out. But luckily, we came back. We're firing again, man. We're not letting it get the best of us. That's the whole game plan, guys.
Yeah, this will definitely be the last trade. If I get stopped out, so I'm gonna set my stop at the high of the day, 43.93. If I get stopped out, I'm done now.
Yeah, there's always another day, man. I can come back Monday and we can still print, dude. That's really it. Like, you know, I don't gotta sit in this, you know, on a bad day or something. I'd rather come in with a fresh market. But not saying that I don't want this to dump here. You know what I'm saying, guys? Not accepting defeat. Love for this thing to sell off here and just, you know. Do I think it can? 100%. I think it's struggling right now, and it could start to come down, like, a lot here. Like, right there was that push to the high, couldn't break the high, starting to come down. That's kind of what I'm saying. So.
So I think now they've got some settling.
Here we go. Keep it coming. Oh, there you go. Nice.
There we are.
It's almost up 2 points. I might lock in profits. If it can't break below 43.86, I'll lock in profits.
Okay. Is that where that low came down to on this candle? Low of...
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, slight 9. Actually, it was actually 85, I think.
Right.
Yeah, it was 85.25. But I want to see a nice slide at 43.86. If it doesn't get below that, then I'll just lock in profits and call it a day.
Yep.
Even though I took a loss, I'm still up on the day. So.
Yeah, I shot down the, I'll be 100% honest with you guys always, man. I shot down the 150K account. It sucks, man. I was like $1,400 away from passing it. But, that's okay. I'm trading with the 50 funded, with obviously smaller size here now. But yeah, taking it nice and slow, that's going to be the game plan, man. I really want to take this account slow. I don't want to force trades, because that's what happens. Everyone gets their personal accounts or personal funded, and then they go crazy, right? And then they lose the personal funding.
Yeah.
It's like, everyone like their ego gets the best of them, everything, man. It's just like, they traded the same way you just traded for the last 4 months, bro. Or however long it took you to pass, and you'll be fine, dude. But if you get that ego, you get the best of you, man. Like, I don't know. I don't know why people do that, but you know. But that's kind of the way that I'm gonna trade it, guys. Nice and slow. Nice slow trades.
That's a very good question, man. I see it time and time again. Traders, while demoing and just practicing, like, they'll do really good, but then when it actually, like, when money's really on the line, they just start doing a bunch of different stuff, like a deer caught in headlights, and it's just like, yo, like you know, over this. So it's like, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? It's tough, man, because when you know, like, the money's real, it's like, oh shoot, like it's just a different ball game.
And that's the truth, and a lot of people can't handle that always, man. There we go, it's starting to come down, but a lot of people can't handle that, man. They're just like, you know, and that's why I'm glad I always started with my real money first. I'm blessed to be, you know, a little bit ahead of the game when it comes to the prop firm thing, but like I'm still working on it, guys. Like, I'm still working on it. I know traders that'll have like 10 props and get them all funded, do great on the evals, and they can't fucking get a payout. You know what I mean? It's like, I'm not looking to be that guy. All right, I can have one account. Think about it, bro. If I can make just like 50K on this account, run it up. I'm not saying in a month. I'm not saying in 2 months. I'm saying within like 5 months, make like 50K. Like 6 months, make 50K on it, bro. Dude, like, I mean, the sky's the limit. Then I take my payout. Obviously, I'm gonna take payouts during it. But yeah, then I have a set stop loss that's like 30K below it. Dude, you're good. You're done. You're set. That's it, right? So.
That is true.
Looking for this thing to break that 50-day on S&P, man. Hey, what's up, Ryan? What do you use for futures? I want to challenge over the winter break. Yeah, man, I got you, buddy. I use Apex trading, and I would wait till they have a better sale coming out. They're probably gonna have one for Black Friday coming out, man. It's probably gonna be another 90%. In like less than, I think it's like 18 days or something. But yep, they'll have one of those come out, and then what is it? Yeah, you can use Trade-Evate with them, or Ninja Trader, whatever you prefer. Ninja Trader.
Trade-Evate is better.
Yeah, right.
If they wanna be able to get like multiple accounts, Trade-Evate is the better avenue because you can then group them together. So versus Rhythmic, you would have to get like an external third-party copy software.
Right. Yup. And my only thing with Trade-Evate sometimes is that they do lag sometimes. Like yesterday, it was a little laggy, a little slow. The one time I couldn't even get logged into my account. The one time, so like they're working. I'm sure they're working on fixing these things and these issues. But I do prefer them over Ninja Trader. The only thing is like, yeah, is that you gotta be careful with that. You do gotta be careful with that. But I mean, that's with any broker platform that lags a little bit and has some problems. Like that's with any of them. But yeah, other than that though, dude, yeah, you're chilling, man. I did take a options trade. I locked up 40% on 4 contracts, but now holding like 8 to the top side. I mean to the downside, excuse me. Waiting for this downside break. I'll load them up for you guys here. I am down on them, but I'm holding them out. So down what, 56% or something on them? Probably more. It's been a rough one, guys. Playing the short side here. Not a bad idea. What am I in? I'm in 16 here. So I did get filled upwards of this top. I'm pretty sure I got filled upwards of this top. And just waiting. Guys, if we break that 50 day, I think I'll be around break even on them. Imagine making 25% return on your investment in literally 25 seconds. Welcome to the greatest show on earth. Yeah, buddy. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Yeah, buddy. Yep, no problem, man. No problem. Winter break, though, huh? Winter break in Florida, man. How's that going, Ryan? Are you on winter break now, or is that coming up? I don't know how that works. I think that's coming up because of December. Back in options. Well, that's paper trading. I'm gonna put that out there, guys. That's paper trading. Always paper trade there. Because I need to get back into the flow of things here. I would love to see these highs not be able to break, but if it's going to chop here and then break the highs, that will be it for me, ladies and gentlemen. I will come back Monday with a fire in me to go and trade, baby. RTY is looking clean, bro. Oh, man. RTY, literally just short these tops. What was my problem today? I think I wasn't playing my strategies right compared to yesterday. So like yesterday, what was the difference between yesterday and today? Well, yesterday how I was playing was way different than today, I guess you would say, right? So yesterday I was shorting tops, buying bottoms, shorting tops, buying bottoms, and today I was trying to ride trend lines and stuff. So it's not the best idea in the world to switch up your strategies. RTY does look nice though. I got my stop loss already set on ES. I'm gonna let it rock. RTY does look nice to the downside here. Can't break. Could come down to that 50 day. I just want to see what it does here though. Wow. What would that be? About $30? Where's that 200 day at? Oh man, I would have to get filled on that like now.
Order filled.
Getting filled on RTY to the downside. One contract filled at 94.50. 94.50. Looking for it to continue to sell off, yeah. You know, I think it can. Have a tighter stop loss on RTY. Yep. I don't know what the price is. 200 is at. 95.20. Okay. Let's see this thing dump a root down to the 50 day 9.430. See what we can do there.
Thanks. And President Xi set to meet in San Francisco next Wednesday. Drew DeBose is out west with more on some of his tech.
Is this above it? Is this above it?
Hey, Carl,
okay.
good morning. Crackdown, but Chinese companies are continuing to find ways to benefit from American technology and consumers. Two critical areas where the country continues to make advancement and inroads, that's AI and e-commerce. 01.ai is one of China's buzziest emerging AI startups. It was founded by Kai-Fu Lee, one of the leading experts on AI in China, who has also had stints leading Microsoft and Google in the country. in less than 8 months.
I've been doing trend lines all week and I've been loving it.
valuation.
No red days. Yeah, buddy. I'm 1 month away, but it's at 86 out right now. About to go to the gym, then pool. Yeah, buddy. There you go. But it's 86 out. I'm 1 month away. Wait, what's 86 out? Ryan. 86 days out. Like 86 days?
It's earlier this year, buying enough of the chips to last for the next 18 months or so. Put another way, he front-ran U.S. sanctions and stockpiled enough American technology to build a fierce Chinese competitor. It's not too far a leap to suspect that other Chinese companies have done the same, especially since there was so much warning. Now, on the e-commerce front, and we talked about this before, 2 of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms in America are Chinese. That's Temu and Shein. Now, with flashy Super Bowl
Oh,
ads
86
and
degrees. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 86 degrees. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, go enjoy the pool. Dang it, dude. My buddy actually just graduated college. He's on his way up here right now. I'm going to give him a FaceTime call whenever I'm off stream. I want to give him a call. And I want to chill out on the day. I want to relax. I want to rethink a couple things. We're going to come in tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow for... Guys, by the way, I'll plug this in one more time. Tomorrow we're going to come in and we're going to analyze exactly what we should have done today. Exactly what I should have done today instead of taking this trade that resulted in that L. I want to see exactly what I should have done today to profit, to prosper. When should I have gotten out on that trade? What should have been my exact stop loss? Or if I did everything correct and it was just a bad trade. Right? Sometimes that happens. I think the thing that really fucked me over was not having a stop loss, guys. That will always mess you up 100 million freaking %, bro. You cannot call yourself a consistent, profitable trader if you don't use stop losses. Like that's a fact, bro. Like, you guys should always have an area in mind, at least for a stop loss, even if you're not punching in right away. You guys still have the area in mind. Because, like, dude, if your stop loss hits, man, your stop loss hits. But if it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. You guys print, prosper, fucking trade. So tomorrow, I think we're gonna go over today. We're gonna come back in. Bet what time? That's gonna be at noon EST. So you're on the same time as me. You're in Florida. So you're chilling. You're at the same time as me.
Both sides talk a big game, and technology is one of these
Hold on,
areas.
let me plug this in.
Corruption. We've got the export bans. We've got China doing things on their side against American companies. But the aim of the meeting next week here in San Francisco is try to sort of calm down some of those tensions and work to a more cooperative relationship, which is something they always say. But you've got to look at the tea leaves. You've got to look at what's actually happening at the companies fundamentally to see where it's headed. And, you know, what I tried to display today is that there's ways that Chinese companies are bypassing some of these regulations, and on the American side as well. Yeah, the idea of front-running potential sanctions, certainly remarkable, the world we're living in, Deirdre. Thank you. Wall Street is buzzing about a new tax bracket system to keep up with inflation. The IRS increasing the income thresholds for the 2024 tax year, which will apply to returns filed in 2025. The top rate of 37% now applies to single filers with taxable income above $609,000 and married couples filing jointly with income above.
Yeah, buddy, got you, Ryan. Got you, buddy. So if you want to be there, man, be there. I got you, man. Any of you guys don't want to be there noon tomorrow, I got you guys. Don't you worry about it. All right, I'll see you guys all there as well if you guys are heading out or something. You guys are done on the day.
Couples filing jointly. So this a reaction
There's
to
the auto
inflation.
trend line holding up right here. That's gonna be right now down near the price of 9,340. I'm filled at 9,450, so 9,340, guys.
Right into the discussion we have every day about fiscal strain in this country, how we're going to pay for the debt that continues to mount.
You know, I'd want to see S&P break that to the downside. If not, I'd be looking to, I don't know. I still have my ES stop loss, but RTY stop loss is going to be tight, guys. RTY stop loss is going to be sitting at the price of 9,540. Would love to see this thing dump a roo, though.
Rendered it unable to clear some of those U.S. Treasury trades. Some of the banks were forced to reroute those trades using USB drives in some cases. Nobody has claimed responsibility for the ransomware attack, but there are reports it was carried out by Lockbit, a criminal group with ties to Russia that has been linked to attacks on Boeing and the UK's Royal Mail. Some discussion this morning about the degree to which the market...
Wow. Thoughts on Tesla? Tesla, I want to see a break of the downtrend. That's basically it. These downtrends, hold on, guys. I don't have a stop loss set. Hold on. I'm trying to set a stop loss here.
That's a courier just taking a USB drive around Manhattan to try and execute these trades. It's kind of remarkable in 20.
Stop loss now set. Guys, I want to see this break right here, ladies and gentlemen. I know that the auto trend line's down there, but look at that. Touched it, coming down to it, guys. Overall, that MQ as well. What do you say?
I said I just got stopped out on ES.
Stop filled.
Oh, okay, damn, bro, that scared the crap out of me. All right, 358
Yeah,
on, guys.
so-
Yep, there it goes. Okay, yeah, my stop just got filled, guys. So that will be it for me on the day, ladies and gentlemen.
Likewise. That's it for me. So I'll catch you guys Monday.
Yeah, buddy. So, yep, there you go. Hey, still a good dual stream, man. Still a good dual stream. Sad to be a little bit red, but at the same time, can't.
Not the way I wanted it to fully go, but it's all good.
Yep, can't complain. Can't complain. So I will catch you, brother. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the dual stream, man. And then
Thank you,
later,
bro. I'll catch you.
Yeah, later tonight we can go over that thing with the setting everything up, the overlays.
All right. Yeah. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
Yep. All right. Take it easy, man. Peace.
All right.
So there's Caesar for you, baby. So yeah, guys. So here, thoughts on Tesla, really quick. Let me do this, guys. Tesla. By the way, I have no words for these pops, guys. I have nothing in general. I'm out of all positions here. I'm not looking to take a trade until Monday again. That's really it. Let me go to, if I can load up my charts here. And yep, right there it is, guys. Just holding the uptrend. I want to see that break, guys. If it doesn't break, this is just going to keep happening, bro. And I'm not going to be in on it. And I'm not going to be satisfied. And I'm not going to be looking for another trade, guys. I am done. But here on Tesla, yes, right here it is. Guys, Tesla, I want to see that crack. And then right here's your auto trend line if you want to place that in. Touching these three little lower shadows here. Bink. Want to see those break to the downside, guys. If those break to the downside, I will be a happy camper, ladies and gentlemen. All right, that's kind of what you want to see. But ladies and gentlemen, wow, ES with the pop, the Ripperoo, RTY, S&P, guys, completely done on the day, down 358, and then, shorted on the 150K. So absolutely, can't really complain. It had to be expected, guys. That's what happens when you don't have stop losses in play. You have to have stop losses in play. It's okay though. We're gonna come back Monday, and I still have the funded account. Gonna be looking, gonna go a little bit harder and a little bit heavier on the 150K. Funded, I'm gonna be loading up Monday. And options wise, still gonna be looking for that. Gonna be looking to get Weeble in there, ladies and gentlemen, using Weeble, guys. But yeah, off of these pops here, guys, I mean, there's not much I can do. If you guys are in longs, ladies and gentlemen, hold these bad boys out. You guys have been printing. If you guys are looking for a short, maybe don't look for a short. Maybe wait. You gotta wait. I mean, I don't know how long you guys plan on waiting, but I would take it, guys. I think Friday's momentum is here. Market movers can't change the gamma at this given rate. I mean, it kind of happened. It's happened and it's here, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get buddy, though, guys, for Money Monday. I will see you guys all tomorrow, though, ladies and gentlemen, at noon EST. We're going to be going over probably today's chart. I'm going to be starting it. We all know the direction of the day, but we can even evaluate it right now. All it looks to be is a downtrend break, so we're still going to be doing a random day we're going to be going to together, setting everything up. It might be an hour or two stream, so if you guys are interested, make sure to stop by. I will see you guys all then. Good, buddy. In 3, 2, 1, buddy. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, I love every one of you guys. Take it easy if you're not stopping by tomorrow. Have a great weekend, guys. Make sure, hey, if you guys are in longs, take those gains shortly. If you guys are in shorts, man, maybe be looking to step out. I don't have too much more as a stop loss. This thing can continue to rip and run above 4,400. It's going to go. So, love all of you guys. Take it easy. See you then. Peace!
Wednesday, my empty arms were open. Thursday, waiting for love. Thank the stars, it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love to come around.